Welcome back, baby. What's going on, my fam? Welcome back, everybody. What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome to the night shift. My name is Brad. It's good to be back with you. Sitting in the seat behind the mic for the next 4 hours, sweating my butt off in this hot room. It's a labor of love for you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever it is you find yourself in this big, beautiful world, I hope that you're having just a fantastic day. It's a new trading day. Wednesday is upon us. The new trading day is here. We're halfway through the week, starting today. And I had my ups and downs today. Had some good, had some bad. Thankfully, all the bad were on free accounts that didn't cost me anything, and all of the good were on all of the good accounts that I'm paying for. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? That's what I'm talking about. Happy you guys are here with me again. Let me jump into the chat right away. Go ahead and smash that like button, guys. As you know, all giveaways begin once we get to 400 likes. You're the first 224 people into the room, so let's go ahead and get that up to 224. Mark, Tom, Frank, Ben the Trader, Mattster, Ali, what's up? Dave Mack, who else we got in here? Duarte Machado, what's going on? Will Trader, Eva Trades, Kapilk, JLB Toronto, Blue Jays, Prod Sun Swift, Amarsha Gill, new here. Welcome in, buddy. Thanks for joining the stream. JJ Redbird, Cricksel, Brian B. Dog, Bank Robber Trader, Phineas, need 2 days of profit and 400 to request my first payout. Let's go, baby. You're right there. Don't rush it. Don't push it. Take your time. Cizo DeCenzo, Miss K, 911. What's going on? How you doing? Johnny Guapo, eating some Skittles. Sounds delicious. Doodah. Woo Outside. What's going on? Roger the Lamb. What's up? LWM SGM. J. Cole, Zero Trader, Dupunks. Hey, I used code SCORE on Lucy Flex 5 times, but now it's only giving me 30% off. Is that normal? Yes. You can use code SCORE. Your first 2 purchases are 50% off. Your next, I think, 3 purchases are 40% off. And then after that, they're all 30% off. Unless they're running a sale. Like right now, they're running a sale. Your first 2 uses with code SCORE 50% off. Kyle, what's up? What's going on? My favorite sweaty old man. That sounds so disgusting. Daytick, M. Patrick, Vin the Trader. Vinicius Miguel, what's going on? Jake H007, the State of Baker, what's going on? Tyler G, USMC, TII, Cali, Cam Trades, how you doing? The Jury, Aeromech Trader, Thunder Donkey. I love that name. Thunder Donkey and Biggest Wickus, I think, are my 2 favorite handles on the stream. GT, of course, Mike Coxmall. Thea Gold G, I Trade Options, Truck and Trading and Gaming, Trucker Tom. There's 2 truckers in there. Boswell's Corner, Icy Hawk. Andres Bruno, RF Hill, Trader Lodi, Rain, WHW, Boswell's Corner. I think I just said that one. Dennis Ernest, Yogurt Pants. That's also a great one. Market Matthew. Don't know if you follow English Premier League, but Arsenal won the league championship after 22 years. I'm excited for them. I don't understand a word of what you just said, but I'm so happy for you. Lynn Tech, Seth Sieb, Ket Get Gone, Zapolkire, Crazy Chris, Rocky Mountain Traders, Magda Broski, Landlord Logic, Akram Rabaji, and Frazier Marr. What's going on? What's going on? Glad you guys are here with me. So happy to be back with you guys on this Tuesday, Tuesday evening / Wednesday trading day, kicking the trading day off with you again. He's talking about soccer. Then that's exactly why I wouldn't know anything about it. Rockin' Vibe, what's going on? Coach Greg, hey, how you doing? Railroad Life, good evening. So, both of my tournament accounts, they got completely wiped today. Blew them both up. The Tradeify one went out early this morning. I was trying to play with silver again. I should have just stuck to my NQ trades. I probably would have been fine. And then the Ninja Trader Cup. The Ninja Trader Cup accounts were weird for me because you had to I might reset the Tradeify one. It's $29 to reset, and I still have 3 days to get into the top 1,000. I think it's doable. But here's what happened on Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader, of course, the plan of attack for me going into Ninja Trader was max position size on every instrument available. The problem was they were wiping each other out when I first got in. So I went long on some and went short on the others, and I was basically at break even. And then when I switched them to try to catch the opposite and get them in line with each other, they reversed and I was break even. And then I just said screw it, and I just left it. And then they just on this massive run up here, I was trying to short DD band right here on NQ, ES, and I think gold right here. And then when this run happened, once it got up there and I didn't catch it until late in the afternoon, I was like, well, there's really no chance. Even if I sold it off, it would have just gotten me back to break even, and I would have had no chance of really getting into the top 100 at all. So at one point I was up like $1,000, and then it just went downhill from there, and it never recovered. So I think honestly, if I had just not traded gold, oil, and the Euro FX at all, I was short NQ and ES on this drop, and that's where I was up. And then I got out of them and waited for the DD band. I just held off, and I tried to get back in on gold and oil somewhere in here, and they kind of wiped out a lot of those profits. And then I decided to try to short DD band, and of course, the time that I shorted it, it ripped for 400 points on NQ, and it was just all done. So, but man, we had a bunch of people make it into the top 100. I think there were 15 prop score rocket scooter traders that made it into the top 100. So very cool to see that. I think Matt slipped in up there as well. So good job, all you guys, getting in on that qualifying round. There's still 2 more qualifying rounds to go if you haven't signed up with the Ninja Trader Arena Cup. Next Tuesday will be round number 2, and then a week from next Tuesday will be round number 3, and then they'll take all of those people into the finals for a shot at $100,000. So good luck to all you guys that made it in, and all of you that are still going into qualifying rounds next week. Hopefully you learned a lot from everyone that was trading today, kind of how to maybe manage your positions and all that kind of stuff. So can you sign up for another heat if you've already signed up for this one? Like if there's still room in the third heat, can I sign back up and get in on the third heat, or is it just one entry and then I'm done? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, I didn't make it in. No, I did not make it into the next heat. Nice little play here right off the rip for me on NQ. I took this sell, and it was in line with the ES hedge pressure line that we're at right now. It's trying to break through there. I took a little short here on my next Gen X account and made $500 on it already tonight. That's the only trade I've taken so far. I need to make, I think I still have like 2 more trading days, and I have to make another 700-ish. No, I have to make like $600 across 2 more trading days on this account to be eligible for my first payout there. What else did I do today? I didn't trade on my funded futures. These are the ones that I did last night. I didn't touch them at all. My funded futures is having a 40% off on their rapid 25K rapid right now. So I picked up 2 25K rapid evaluations. They were both $65. These are the very best, highest rated accounts on PropScore, and you can pick them up for $65 a piece right now with code SCORE for 3 uses. So you can buy 3 rapid accounts, 40% off code SCORE. I picked up 2 of them tonight, and I still have the 2 flex accounts as well. The take profit accounts, I went ahead and flipped them, so this was the last day to flip. So these are now officially out of the evaluation. I will have to wait until the dashboard updates at the end of the day tomorrow. So sometime tomorrow night or Thursday morning, I'll be able to upgrade these accounts to live or funded, I guess, not live, but they're pro accounts. And this will be 2 accounts that I'll be taking 2 more stabs at intraday trailing drawdown. But if I do good on those, I'm feeling good if I can pass the rapid. The My Funded Future Rapids are basically the exact same account as the TPTs. So 1 day to, is it on the rapid accounts, is it 1 day to pass, or is it 2 days to pass on the rapids? I didn't look at that very clearly. And then on the Lucid Flex, locked in $100 on both of these accounts. Let's go ahead and take a look and see where those are standing now. So this account is the bottom Lucid Flex account. This should have been my day 5, but I wasn't paying attention yesterday. This should have been day 5, and I should be taking a payout tonight. But I was dumb, and I wasn't paying attention to how much money I made in profit that one day. I thought I was over, and I was not. So I need to make $100 today, and then this account will be eligible for a payout tomorrow night. And then this is the account that just is green across the board. We've got 23 straight green days. I love it. It's so pretty. I need 2 more trading days to get a payout here. 1, 2, 3. This would be, today would be 4. And then Thursday would be 5. Maybe Thursday night on the stream. We could potentially be taking our 5th and final payout and move to live on these 2 Lucid Flex accounts. So that's where those are all the accounts I have right now. So let's just recap. I've got 1 funded next gen X account going on down here. It's almost eligible for its first payout. It's up $4,600 in profit. I need to get to 5,150 to meet consistency, and then I can start hopefully milking $750 payouts on top of that with that huge buffer built up in there. So almost 5K built up on that funded account. These 2 Lucid Flexes are close to their next payout. We have the take profits that will be on funded status sometime tomorrow night or Thursday morning. And then we've got these 4 evaluations on My Funded Futures that we're working through currently right now as we speak. So how was your day today, guys? Let me know in the chat. Were you red? Were you green? Did you pass any evals? Did you make it through on the Arena Cup? Where are you standing on your Tradeify account, tournament accounts? Did you pass any evals today? Anybody request a payout tonight? Let's hear it. Any fallen soldiers we need to have a moment of silence for today? Anybody blow up any accounts? Liquidated, breached. Blue Skies, you got a TPT 25K as trailing unfunded. Looking into the 25K Lucid, what is your opinion, Flex or Pro? I think Flex is easier to get a payout on. Pro, the 25K Pro is probably easier to pass. It's 1 day to pass, but you do have to build up a pretty decent buffer before you get a payout. So I like the Flexes. Tradeify Cup is end of day trailing drawdown, which caps at 50K hard floor. Yep. I blew it up anyway. It didn't matter. Blew an eval on my Tradeify competition account. That's all right. Hanging on. Nice. Neezy yesterday was green, sir. Very nice. Zeppelkire is almost at that $1,000 line. Nice. Funded TPT is intraday trailing drawdown. Yeah. Green on 2 accounts, lost 1 eval. Got excited with the Arena Cup and did a YOLO. I hear that. Coach Greg up around 850 total across Next Gen, a Lucid, and an Apex. That's baller. 2 accounts today. They were so close to passing. Brett Allen, I've been there, my friend. Joan Vach passed an eval, breached to funded. It's a mixed bag. Is there a better 25K out there? No. The Lucid 25K, the funded Next 25K Legacy, the My Funded Futures 25. They're all the flexes are about the same, with the same kind of, rules and everything that go into it. Straight green. Yep. Kyle says, I'll tell you how my day went once you get a chance to hear a new song. I'll let the song explain. Okay, cool. I'm intrigued. In Platinum, breached 2 25K Apexes. Sorry, man. Hang in there. Broadsun Swift just passed your 50K Lucid eval. Let's go, baby. Go in there and instant upgrade that, baby. Let's get it. You can start trading that. 957 on a funded TPT. So close. Let's go. Dude, 2 days without blowing an account, you're cooking. Nice streak, baby. Nice streak. Nice streak. Swagger Pilot says, what up, Brad the GOAT? I'm trading with you tonight. Well, yeah, I mean, I always tell you it's probably not a good idea to copy trade me, but I'm going to be green some nights. I'm going to be red some nights. It's just kind of hard to tell, you know? Just kind of hard to tell. ES popping up here through hedge pressure. Looks like it's that's a nice little strong close above hedge pressure here. Let's see what's going on. Coming into, we bullish or we bearish tonight? What's going to happen? If you'll remember my evaluation last night, if you will remember, I said I would like to see us take out the weekly low, and somewhere, I said somewhere around 615 to 630, I would expect a low of the week. Today we dropped down to 663. We took out the previous week low. I'm not saying the low of the week is in, but it wouldn't surprise me if the low of the week is in, quite honestly. Would not surprise me in the least. To me right now, I think I would be willing to take a long off of hedge pressure now that we've broken through. If we get a little bit of a pullback down into this area, this might be a good opportunity to get long and target some of these highs up in here. And I could probably take that as a correlated trade on NQ, just watching ES price action. So that's what I'm thinking. Green on 2 funded. Sorry. I got a little distracted. Requested my first payout after quitting for 6 months. I saw you on Matt's show, started watching again, listened, and pulled my first 1K max payout in 3 days. KP Trades. Let's go, baby. That makes me so happy to hear. Way to go. Thunder Donkey up $600 and my internet went out right before a downturn. Oh, no. Oh, no. Rogue of the Lamb, green on 2 funded. It's nice. On day 5, not blowing your funded account. First time this long, but really small win so far. Hey, 8 cylinders to life. This is all you have to do, babe. That's it, man. Just baby step your way there. $100, $100. Look at the consistency. I've taken out $4,000 on 23 straight green days, and I'm about to take out my last $1,000 if I can get 2 more green days like this. So that's all you got to do is just small little baby steps. There's no rush. There's no time limit on when you get a payout. Just take your time. Just take your time. Trump speaking. Everyone be careful. Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go. Trump is up. Pretty happy I rescued an awful day back to zero. Nice. Do you just call it at $100 a day on the funded accounts? Yes, that's my goal. Hey, what's up, Daddy Matt? Brad's stream is the #1 stream. Don't you know it? Don't you forget it. Good job on that Ninja Trader Cup today, boss. I saw you. I saw you creeping up. Do you know when we'll have Futures Elite in prop score? I really like to know the score about that prop, Vinicius Miguel. I have no idea, but our mods in prop score are here on the stream, and they're paying attention to you. So Futures Elite is probably somewhere on their radar now, if it's not already. What's up, Liquidity Operator? How you doing? When is your middle name? Matt wins. I like it. Is that what your mother calls you when you're in trouble? What's up? What the heck? How you doing? Johnny Guapo says the locusts attacked my prop farm today, and now I only have green shoots. Great analogy. I love it. I love it. It happens, man. It happens. It happens. All right, if we can get a little bitty retest here on HP, I might consider taking this long on NQ as a proxy trade. What's up, River Beasley? How you doing? Stephen Brinkworth, good morning, Brad from Australia. How you doing, mate? How's it doing down under? KP Trey says, thanks to B-Rad, Matt, and crew. I'm so excited to get my first payout ever today on a Lucid 25K Pro. Man, that makes me so happy when I hear stuff like that. It really does just... It's just an incredible, when you get your first payout, especially after you've been working so hard and so long, maybe thought about quitting so many times, and then you come back, you give it another shot, you try it, you practice discipline. Dude, that is just freaking awesome, man. Congratulations. I hope that's a good building block for you. Now that you've done it once, now you know you can do it again. And if you can do it once, you can do it 5 times. If you can do it 5 times, you can do it 10. So, just keep it up, man. Keep up the good work. What's up, Wave Chappelle? How you doing? Brian Inside Treasure, your 500th place today on Tradeify. Let's go. That's awesome. So happy for you, KP Trades. So happy for you. All right, guys. Just chilling here at the bottom of the hour. We'll have our little moment of silence for all of our little fallen soldiers out there today. I'm trying to decide if I want to fire up my Tradeify account, my Arena Cup account, reset it. I have 3 more days to try to get into the top 1,000. It's only $29. I think I may do it, and I'll just wait till tomorrow. I don't know if I'll trade it tonight, but I'm going to go ahead and take on this eval. I'm going to take a stab. On the MyFunded Futures Rapids, are they 1-day pass or 2-day pass on the MyFunded Futures Rapids? Anybody know? Can somebody help me out? Any of you MyFunded Futures Rapid professionals out there? 1, 2. I see 1 and I see 2. 2-day, 2-day, 2-day. All right, I see more 2 days than ones. 2-day pass, 50%. Nice. Okay. Cool. And how many accounts can you have with MyFunded Futures? Like, if I pass both of these flex and I pass both of the rapids, can I have all 4, or are they going to limit me to like 2 or 3 of these? Three funded rapids. You can have 2. 5 50K funded, only 1 funded builder. Rapid, only 3. I'm looking for a spot to go long. I'm not long yet. I'm not long yet anywhere. You'll see it on my Dom over here. My bias currently is probably bullish. Look, if we don't hold this high and we start breaking lower, we'll take out, I think, if we take out the low, obviously, that would be a new low of the week. And I think wherever Wednesday's low of the week is, I think that's the low of the week. Tuesday could be the low of the week right now. It hit exactly where I wanted to see it hit on a weekly time frame, taking out the previous week low, rejecting off of that. Still could come down lower today. Of course it can. But I think I'm bullish more than anything right now. Songs in the channel? All right, cool. We'll go listen to it in just a little bit. We'll find it after we do our little moment of silence, a little moment of remembrance. Guys, smash that like button. Thank you guys so much for joining the show tonight. My name is Brad. I'm the host here on the Night Shift Day Trading with Matt YouTube channel. Glad you guys are with us every single night. We have some amazing accounts to give away tonight. We've got one Lucid Pro 50K account. That's a banger. And then we've got 5 of the top rated accounts on Prop Score, 25K rapid accounts. We have 5 of those to give away tonight as well. Let's get those likes up to 400 and we'll start the giveaway train. What's up, Rob? How you doing, man? Somebody said Trump is talking right now, but I don't know. I'm not 100% certain. Thunder Donkey says, best stream at night, hands down. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear. Wancho Man says, Brad, today I asked in Lucid Discord, is there any chance I won't get moved to live after taking my 5th payout? And they said 0. So so what you're saying is there's no chance I'm going to live if I take a fifth payout. I hear you. Thank you for that little investigative answer, by the way. I see you looking out for me. How many Lucid Flex funded? You can have 5. You can have 5 Lucid accounts funded. Pro, Flex. I'm not sure on the direct accounts if you can have 5, but I know you can have 5 Flex or 5 Pros on the Lucid. He's live on the White House website. I know that he was out talking about the new ballroom today and how it's really just more of a military fortress with a ballroom built on top of it. So I don't know if he's talking about that or if he's talking about anything else. Brandon's Fit Functional. Yo, what's happening, guys? Got my first payout ever tonight. Let's freaking go. There's another first-time payout. That's what I'm here for. That gets me fired up. Congressional picnic tonight. Is that what it is? All right. Your DOM is MNQ and you have MES chart open. Yes. So what I'm doing is I'm watching the MES price because it's the closest to a rocket scooter high volume pivot, the weekly hedge pressure line right here. The NQ weekly hedge pressure is way up. I was really hoping that ES would give me a deep. I wanted to get down onto hedge pressure and it missed it by about 1.5 points or about half a point. I was wanting it to get a little bit deeper there. So I am still bullish, however, though. It's called First Payout. Kyle, add me to that list, baby. Let's go. Hell yeah, Kyle. Let's freaking go. That's what it's all about. Any more first-time payouts? Let's hear it in the chat, man. God, that is so freaking cool. Way to go, guys. I'm so happy for you. I remember that you worked so hard and you worked so long trying to get that first payout. And when you finally see it hit your bank, it is the best feeling in the world. Matt, you just got your first Lucid payout. Congratulations, man. It hits your bank fast, doesn't it? It's so cool. Tyler G says, haven't even passed an eval yet. Don't worry, man. It took me forever to pass my first eval. It took me months of trading before I passed my first eval. What's up, Sherry? How you doing? Tori Williams says, congratulations to all the first-time payouts still working to join the club. Hey, just keep grinding. Keep showing up. You're still here. You'll get there. Just hang out with this community. Dan, you wiped out 2 weeks of trades yesterday. Oh, I hate to hear that, man. I'm sorry. Hate to hear that. Let's see where we're at here. 15-minute time frame. We could still get another pullback down into hedge pressure here. It's not completely a loss just because we missed it on this very first bounce. Doesn't mean we won't get a second opportunity. Let's just be patient. Patience pays. Let's just be patient. KC says, not a prop payout, but turned 1K into 2,100 over the last week with you guys. Took 1K of it back today, and we'll trade it back up. Hey, man, that's your own payout. Payouts are payouts, man, whether it's a prop or not. Papa Les says, so who won? Did we place anywhere? Yeah, we had 15 people, Papa Les, in the top 100. 15 people in the top 100. I think Matt was in the top 20. I just say words from my songs to encourage people. That the words from my songs came from me first, so they're actually my words, and the song stole my words. Rapid 25Ks are 40% off right now. Yep, they sure are. Let's take a moment now here at the bottom of the hour and just remember all of those little buddies that we loaded up and sent out into the battlefield today. They didn't make it out. They were breached. They were liquidated. They are gone, but they are not forgotten. We will remember, and we will avenge them, and we will fight on.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute you. You know what we also salute is Trump on Iran. War news. We will conclude the conflict swiftly. So that's your little war tweet right there. Little war pop, little wartime pop. It'll be interesting to see if it sells off here or not. We will conclude the conflict swiftly. They won't get a nuclear weapon. Simo Show says, I'm going to take a shower and back to watch the stream. We'll see you in a bit. I'm going to need a shower after this show. I get so freaking sweaty in this hot little office. God. We'll see if this sells off. Little news. This is a little news tweet from Trump right here. Just hit the line. Just saying that it's going to be over swiftly. And we all know most of the time these news tweets do get sold off. I'll still be interested in taking another hedge pressure buy if we can get back down there. All right, guys, let me go over some of the incredible deals. If you looked at the pinned message on your way in, we have some absolutely fire deals right now in the prop world. And hopefully you guys have some budget set aside to use and take advantage of them. Here's where they are at. All right, number one, Lucid, 50% off any 2 accounts, including their direct-to-funded accounts. Use code SCORE. It's good for 2 uses. 50% off Lucid. All right, banger deal. Take Profit Trader. 50% off all evaluations with free activation code Rocket Scooter on TPT because Matt is still trading his live accounts with them right now. So 50% off all Take Profit Trader accounts with free activation code Rocket Scooter. Banger deal. Those My Funded Futures. 40% off 25K rapid accounts with code SCORE. 3 uses, 40% off. You can pick up the best, highest rated account on Prop Score for $65 right now. You can use that 3 times. Then Next Gen, the account that you see here on my screen, it's almost $5,000 in profit. My Gen X account. They have some banger deals going on. So 80% off the EVAL. Code SCORE, right? 80% off the EVAL is code SCORE. 40% off of the activations is SCORE 40. And then they're offering 90% off of your EVAL reset, which basically means a 25K. If you blow it up, you can reset it for like $5. So 80% off the EVAL, code SCORE. 40% off activations, SCORE 40. 90% off resets, code new 90. Just incredible deals going on. On top of that, I see Funded Seat. Funded Seat is running a big sell right now, 60% off. Let's see what else we got. FXify funded seat 60% off your next 2 challenges. Use code SCORE. There's just some banger sales going on right now. Absolute banger sales. All right, let's get back into the trading. Waiting for a little retest here at dynamic hedge pressure. I would like to see us get a little bit lower. And then I would consider maybe taking another stab long here. Wait till tomorrow. Is there a big sale, another banger sale coming out tomorrow? Oh my God. The 50% on Lucid is fantastic. It's good through July. So even if you don't use it right now, if you use it in June, just pick it up before the beginning of July. Your next 2 Lucid accounts, 50% off, code SCORE. Dynamic HP is our overnight hedge pressure limit price. So this is our weekly hedge pressure line for the overnight levels on Rocket Scooter. This is a high volume pivot that we place on the charts before the session begins, and you can see went right up to it, sold off, went right up to it, broke out, retested, shot up. I would like to get one more retest of the hedge pressure here. It's a secret till tomorrow. Giveaway bonanza. Oh my God, I can't wait. That's so exciting. 30 accounts to give away over the next 2 days just from this new people. Okay, cool. I'm very intrigued now. Very, very intrigued. All right, come on back down to daddy. Come on down here to daddy. Patience pays, guys. I'm gonna wait for my long entry off of hedge pressure here, and then we'll take it by proxy on NQ. Let's go listen to Kyle's song. Kyle's got a song in the Discord he wrote in honor of his very first payout. Finally, after 6 months of trading prop accounts, I finally made my very first payout. I made this song about 4 months ago and have been holding on to it until the day where I could post it and finally say, I did it. Hell yeah. So happy for you, bud. Let's listen.
Tick. Clock in focus, eyes on the screen. Small lock, big fit, clean routine. Morgan's tight, but the mind stays sharp. One good run, and I like that spark. I've been cut, I've been stressed, I've been patient. Made a plan, then I stayed with the cadence. Every drawdown taught me how to breathe. Now the green line talk back to me. Yeah. Tick, tick, wait for the push. Feel that swing when the market rush. One more candle, one more shot. Hold my nerve when the pressure hot. First payout, first payout.
I love it.
First payout, first payout. I came in humble, now I stand out. First payout. No more waiting on a maybe. I took my shot and it paid me. I took my shot and it paid me. Mama called, say, son, you did good. Had to build from the mud where I stood. Late night screens, no sleep, no flex. Just a pen, a plan, and a test could have folded. When the pair turned mean, could have lost my cool in the in-between. But I kept my rhythm, kept my lane. Had a proof on the ledge, just say my name. Tick, tick, yeah, that right. One more move and the gate unlocks. Hands stay steady, heart stay tough. When the wave it, I was built for rough. Get out, first payout, first payout. Look how the numbers dance now. First payout, first payout. I came in humble, now I stand loud. First payout, first payout. No more waiting on a maybe. I took my shot and it paid me. I took my shot and it paid me. From the red to the green, I learned what patience means. One clean entry, one clean exit. Now the whole room see it. Yeah, the road was long, but the pocket stayed strong. If you hear that click in the dark, you know I hit my mark. First payout, first payout. Look how the numbers dance now. First payout, first payout. I came in humble, now I stand loud. First payout, no paid me.
Hell yeah, baby. That's a banger. I'm downloading that one right now. That's going into the because we got to play that. That's immediately going into the playlist because that's one you got to play every time, you know, we get a first payout. Now we got to like that just needs to be a thing. You know what I mean? If you like that song, go to the Prop Score Discord. There is a song submission channel where our users submit their our users can submit all of their own AI songs. And yeah, there you go. You can go download it right there, song submission. It's called First Payout by I Am Liquidity. So cool, man. So happy for you guys. So happy for you guys. It takes so much work and effort to get to that point. When you finally get there and you get that payoff, the relief that you feel is unmatched. Absolutely unmatched. Absolutely unmatched. You need to add your new reggae song in there. It's in my Suno playlist, Mark Tom Frank. The Suno playlist, there's a link in the description of of this video that you're watching right now to my Suno playlist. And the new one that I played last night for you guys is in there. Get back up again. How did you do on the Ninja Trade competition today? I absolutely sucked. It was I got messed up in the beginning trying to get all of the different, so you could trade MNQ, you could trade MES, you could trade oil, you could trade gold, and you could trade Euro FX, right? The Euro. And I was trying to get all of them going, and so some of them went long, some of them went short, and they were all basically break even. And then I switched them up to try to get them maximize the profit, and they reversed, and then they were basically break even. And then I turned some off, got into profit, closed it out in profit, tried to get back into some, lost that profit. And then right when we retested DD band before that big run up, I shorted again, and it all went to crap. And by the end of the day, I had no chance of making it back and getting into the top 100. So amazing speech from Trump. I find that hard to believe. That guy never gives an amazing speech. He rambles and says the most chaotic things possible. I'm not sure what the winning number was. Anybody know what the winning number on the Ninja Trader today was? What was it, like 5K, 6K, something like that? All right, dropping back down here into a little buy zone for me. Again, getting into this hedge pressure area is what I'm kind of hoping for. I'm looking to get long on NQ. If we could get a little bit deeper, I'll start a position. And I'm just watching ES as it approaches this hedge pressure line again. Papa Les, you're up 5K on that other eval or the other competition. Very cool, man. Always cool. Good job. 5. A magnitude 5 quake hit southern Iran. Interesting. What would cause a Mag 5 earthquake? William 220 had $8,921. He was the winner. Wasn't there some sketchy thing going on with that guy? Weren't there like 3 or 4 William accounts that were all like hedging against each other there for a while? Was he actually the winner? You know what I mean? Like, are they gonna do any kind of like internal investigation and be like, hey, yo, this is not cool. First and fourth, yeah, 2 at the top for a little while. Birthday ban him, yeah, right? Like, It might have been a coincidence. Absolutely could have been a coincidence, but I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and no, I'm going to wait. I want to get a little deeper pullback. This is the spot that I wanted to see a pullback. I was hoping to get a little bit more on ES closer to HP. So I'm just going to hold off and see if we get that. Giving away 5 funded accounts, which is a pretty crazy thing. What I mean to say is, why don't you do the giveaway using the duck race? I've never used the duck race before. Number one, I don't know. Is it free, Kyle? Yeah, is it free to use the duck race? Where do you even go for that? I don't mind trying it for once. I like Wheel of Names. Too many ducks? I mean, we usually get like 400 to 500. Who gives a duck? Ducks suck. Tuck a duck. 1,000 limit. Your duck race can hold 1,000. What is the Kyle, send me the link and I'll check it out. I like my Wheel of Names spinner. It's fine. I'm not saying it's the best, but it's the night shift thing. I can it's like branded to the night shift. It's got the Rocket Scooter logo on there. It's got the colors. Yeah, Estrado Pablo, that was a rock song. It's on my Suno playlist. Coming in, 10 more minutes left till Tokyo comes online. We'll see what happens there. Just going to play with some of these My Funded Futures evals here. Give me a little bit of a deeper dig. I will go right. Are you currently passing trailing draw? I have no intraday trailing drawdown evaluations. They're all end of day. The take profit evaluations that I just passed tonight for the 5th day, got my 5th day of trading on those. When they become live fund or sim funded tomorrow, or I guess at the end of the day tomorrow, they will become intraday trailing drawdown. I'm just going to keep jabbing at them. They're great accounts. I got to get over the hump. I got to figure out how to kill that monster. That's kind of the next thing up in my trading journey for me. What's for dinner tonight? I'm not sure. I know Lady Darb was cooking something up. You have to flip 2 tonight and they're passed. Same for me, KP. Same for me. All right, right here. That's it. I'm getting in 3 micros. I'm going to start a little 3 micro position on NQ right here on this eval. And if it dips down to VWAP, I'll take another. I'll add to it. I'll go a little bit heavier on these. Ed Gallerin was unseated the incumbent Congressman Thomas Massey in Kentucky's 4th District. Yeah, I've been following that a little bit. It seemed like the writing was on the wall for Thomas Massey. People were kind of upset with him. Just looking to make a so this is just the idea is we make a higher low and then we start making higher highs, and for NQ MNQ we got in right basically where price is right now. I would be targeting that upper hedge pressure line up here about 29,100. But I'm going to watch ES since it's close to the hedge pressure line, and I'll use that to kind of help me determine the strength of price here. Where are we at on our likes? Oh, 237. Come on, guys. We got to get the likes up. 237 likes. We need to get to 400. 400 likes is the first stop. That's where the giveaway train leaves the station. And we've got some bangers, a Lucid 50K Pro account, and then 5 My Funded Futures Rapid accounts. Again, these are the highest scoring accounts on Prop Score. The highest scoring accounts on Prop Score. We have 5 of them to give away tonight. Thank you, Kyle. Enter names, enter the time. On the race screen, top left, you'll want to mute all the sounds. It's pretty loud. Cool. Copy. Let me see if I can pull it up. I'm just looking at the duck race thing here real quick. Giveaway duck race name picker. Edit list. Okay, so you just put them all in the list right here. Let's just do a test. Let's do a test run. Let's see how it works. So we'll do Brad, Matt, Neon, IDOC. We'll do Lady Darb. We'll do chat. We'll do trolls. Done. I can't show a custom logo. Where do I put the logo? Huh. And where do I? Enter the time you want the race to last. Where do I put in the time? Oh, okay, right here. Alarm clock model, no. Applause. I can't figure out where to set the time on this. Like, I see the timer, but I can't. How do you actually set the time? Oh, do you just type? Oh, you have to type in the number. So let's do like a 20-second. And then start. Hi, Doc. Hi, Doc's the winner. Okay, cool. Well, I don't mind using this once. You know, we'll see again. We can play with it. You know, we'll see. We'll see. I duck. We'll use it for our first giveaway. If you guys get we got to get 110 more likes. We need 110 more likes. That's the first thing. The boss wife. Yeah, rigged. Do we even hit the like? Do you even hit the like, man? Come on, hit the like. What are you doing? Ready to get ducked and tucked. We're ducking and tucking. We're tucking and ducking. All right. Coming back down for a dynamic HP test. Little test from the top side here. See if it holds up. We just cleared out the Trump news tweet. That was all the price action from the Trump news tweet here. So we'll see how hedge pressure holds up. I will be willing to add into this with a few more micros on this eval. Coming into the Tokyo in 30 seconds is coming online. I'm going to go ahead and right there add in on that touch of hedge pressure right there. See if we can get a little bounce off of hedge pressure. Let's get it going. There's the Tokyo coming online, dropping down, retesting the Asia Open. A duck contest. It's just it's another way of spinning the wheel, you know? Like, it's just, some people get tired of the wheel of names. You can't really see your name on the wheel of names, and so it's like, am I really in there? With the duck race, I guess for some reason people think if they see their duck out in front, it's going to win, but then they'll just get even more sad when their duck's out front and then somebody comes from behind and wins it actually. Tokyo Open, let's go. Come on. Getting a lot of selling pressure here. Not a fan. Not a fan. And my stop is about 45 points. See if this holds up. Ducks on the screen is more adrenaline. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, people get so, juiced about it. Like, they get so... It almost draws you in more, and it increases the anticipation, which I think adds to the disappointment when you don't win. What's up, Gabe? A 1 minute timer? No way. God, that would take forever. I think 20 seconds is long enough for a race, especially when you got like 500 people in there. All right, come on. Give us a little pull back up above here. First 2 minutes, nothing but selling pressure here in the Tokyo Open. Basically went back down and tested the new day opening gap right here. We dropped about halfway down into that new day opening gap, which was right here. Would love to see it now put in this is hopefully a higher low. Don't want to see anything lower from there, or I'm going to have to cut it. If your duck falls short, you'll be sad. That's what I'm talking about. Like, at least on the wheel of names, you don't even know where your name is on the wheel. You know it's on there somewhere, and it just spins, and you hope it comes up as the winner. With the duck race, you might see your name pop out in front and be in the lead, and you'll get so excited about winning a new evaluation for free. And then at the very last second, some other duck is going to come up and beat you, and then you're going to, like, punch your screen. You're going to cuss me out, think it's my fault. Not fun. I know as soon as I cut this thing's gonna turn back up. I just know it. I want to see some buying pressure step in here. Get us back above hedge pressure. Are you afraid people are gonna say it's rigged? You're gonna say it's rigged no matter what we use. Everybody, no matter what giveaway we do, everyone in the chat thinks it's rigged. I only give away whatever they tell me to give away. I don't get to pick what I get to give away, sadly. And I don't think we're given the pro accounts from My Fun and Futures. Those are primo accounts. I mean, they might have given them away at some point, but I don't think they just hand those out for giveaways right now. So, all right, first 5 minutes, I need to see this reject here and recover the opening Tokyo price. It would be see a duck deflate, see a hunter pop up out of the bushes, see a duck hunter pop up out of the bushes, and he's got a shirt on that says "What the Farkus," and he starts picking off the ducks in the lead. I think that would that might add a little excitement to the duck race. Your duck just keeps going in circles. Well, come on. Give me a little pumpy pump. Let's get back above the Asia Open here. That might give me my first sign of hope. Hedge pressure got plowed through and then completely collapsed on us. Didn't even pause on that retest, and that's kind of sad. That's kind of sad. We got to get to 400 likes. That's the very first thing you got to do. Got to get to 400 likes. And there's my stop. Full stop on that eval. Edge pressure did not cooperate and play nicely. It does look like we're going to head lower. In my opinion, if we do head lower, the previous day low on ES at 73.53 is your next stop on the short bus. NQ would be, down into the previous DD band level, probably like 28.825 level. And then we'll see what happens after that. You forgot the competition was today? Oh, man, I'm sorry, dude. Did the Ninja Trader have rules about micro scalping? I have no idea. I'm not really sure. Jason Cruz, fallen soldier on you? Sorry, man. I'll give myself one more attempt here. I'm not just going to jump in and chase. I'm going to wait for a little bit of a pullback here. It could. The one thing I don't want to do is get caught into a range. ES. We still have about 20 points lower for the previous day low on ES. We'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what happens. Be patient. $60 more likes. 60. Let's get those likes up, guys. There we go. New low on the Asia session. The MHP levels are pretty far out of bounds. NQs is right at DD band. So obviously if you get a big drop, this is going to be a great cluster pivot to go long off of. On ES, on NQ, it's underneath DD band and a yellow line. So you would have to have a very catastrophic sell-off here. DD band is right under the previous low of the day. Previous daily low, sorry, the Tuesday low. I think it's more likely that ES takes out its low before NQ does. Just made a new session low, coming back up now. Likes are earned. I love it. You want to see some hairy toes? Will that get you like? USMC says, how long did it take you to get comfortable with the rocket scooter platform? It took me maybe a week. Not long, if that. No, it's all good. I knew who you meant. This is quite the waterfall event here off of the Tokyo Asia Open. Man, we're just in the middle of a very choppy zone here. We grabbed some liquidity, popped back into it. Now we're right back at the middle of this incredible chop. And this plays into my theory. I think I played out this theory on, was it Monday night? Was it last night or Sunday night stream? Maybe it was both nights. I said, from a daily time frame, if you just take off the lipstick, from a daily time frame, I could see us. Obviously, we're extremely overdue for some kind of retracement, right? It doesn't have to come it doesn't have to come extremely deep. Not that it can't, but it doesn't have to. It can just base out here sideways for a little while before it makes new all-time highs. So to me, the two courses of action are, we kind of move sideways and we just start on the daily time frame, just kind of move sideways for a week or so, or we move like sideways to slightly down and then we start coming back up. So I think both of those are potential options. This is the first time since the end of March that we've had 1, 2, 3 red trading days in a row. First time in almost 2 months that we've had 2 red trading days in a three red trading days in a row. And we just had our first red week after 7 weeks in a row or whatever that was. Crazy run. All right, coming in. I want to see, what is ES doing here? Heading lower. Be interesting to see. I'm just going to put a line right here at the previous daily low. That little dotted blue line is our previous daily low. So I remember where it's at. I Trade Rocket Screw says, Brad, your consistency and win rate is crazy. Keeping in mind Asia does have half of Rocket Scooter confluences to work with, or even less. Yeah, my win rate in the Asia time frame is not as high as the New York session. And that's understandable because we don't always have high volume pivots to work with. Oftentimes my analysis, even within or without rocket scooter levels, is still pretty good, but it's not as accurate or as good as when I trade in the New York session. So lots of dumpage here. This is going to be a great opportunity. Dude, if we could drop 50, number one, if we drop 50 points, that'd be crazy. But that would be a killer place to buy from. Will be interesting to see what happens after we sweep the previous day low here. So Matt hates you, gave you the Asia session. Matt put his, Matt was like, you know what? If you can make it in the Asia session, you can make it anywhere. You got to learn how to swim. You got to learn to play with the big boys or find another business choice. You know what I mean? He was just, he wasn't like that at all. He was like, hey, look, man, here's the deal. Think you would be a great fit for the Asia session. I was like, put me in, coach. Put me in, coach. Man, what a drop. $30-point drop. Esteban Pena says, hey, can I ask, why are you not using Next Gen? What's the catch with them? I am using Next Gen. It's this account on the screen right here. This is a funded account. A 25K funded account that's up almost 5K. So I am trading with Next Gen, and I've got one of their funded accounts almost to pay out. It needs one more day or 2 more days of trading. I definitely don't miss the 10-point overnight range. I would rather see movement like this than a tight little 10-point chop. You know what I mean? Yeah, I call it my Gen X account because I always forget to say Next Gen. So I call it my Gen X account. Do I like it? I mean, I've had no problem with them so far. The biggest thing with me on the funded side with Next Gen is that it's probably one of the more restrictive funded accounts out there. It has consistency, it has daily loss limit, and you have the highest number of days you have to trade. So you have to trade for 7 days. You have the consistency is very low. It's like 30%. Which is very low for a funded account. That's not a direct to funded account. And you have to trade. So trade for 7 days and 30% consistency, and you have a daily loss limit. So really what that does, and you can't flip. Yeah, there's no flipping either. You can't just trade for 5 days, build a buffer, and then flip for 2 with micros. They'll bust you for it. So it is a fairly, now here's the thing. There's no profit split. So you get 100% of your payout, and there's no payout cap. So you can make as much money as you want. They have no live program. They're not moving traders to a live account. So you have 100% profit split with uncapped payouts. So I understand why they have some of those restrictions in place, but it's not the easiest funded trading environment available. But so far, I've had no issues. Like, using AMP inside TradingView to trade has been fine. This is back at yesterday's DD band right here, where we are right now was the previous day DD band area, somewhere right in here. That's the level it's stalling out at currently, by the way. You can leave whatever review you would like on NextGen on the prop score. In fact, we encourage you after you've tried their accounts to leave a review on prop score because it does help other traders out there, get a vibe for how what other traders' experience has been with certain firms. Payouts are capped at $750 on the 25K account until you've had like 5 or 6. After you're, I don't know what it is. I don't know what the number is, but it's like after you've had several payouts, they double your payout on the next several. So my whole plan with the NextGen account was to build a pretty healthy buffer so that I can milk payouts. So after my first payout of $750, I'll have basically a $5,000 account that all I have to do every 7 days is make $100 a day for 7 days with a $5,000 drawdown. So what that eventually means is that as that buffer gets bigger, I'm basically building up a foundation to create unlimited payouts. So that's why I'm going for like a $5,000 or $6,000 profit before my first payout. That's just the strategy behind it. Is if they're going to give me unlimited payouts with 100% profit split, it would be in my best interest to build a very healthy drawdown on my first payout. And then every payout after that, I can just trade with 1 or 2 micros and make $100 a day for 7 days. And then I can just do that every week or so, get $750 until they just keep increasing it, That's my plan. That's 56 perfect trading days. Well, it doesn't have to be perfect. But in Vanderost, I get your point. But my point is that you can play the long game because they're not going to move you to live. And they have unlimited payouts. So who cares how many days it takes you? Like, it's just basically a chance to get a free ATM of $750 three times a month added to my bank. This is the NextGen account that's at the bottom of the screen on my trading view. That's the one I'm talking about. Yes, not 7 profitable days, just 7 trading days. But you still do have to have the 30% consistency. So if you make, $500 on one of those 7 days, you're going to have to make $1,500 across the board. So you just have to keep that in mind. So hopefully I don't blow this account up before I can get to a payout, and I just need to make like another $600 on this account over the next 2 days, and then I'll be eligible for my first payout there, and I'll let you know how it goes. I don't know how fast they pay out. I don't know if do they use Rise, Kyle? Is that what they do? Yeah, I'm just trying them out because I saw the great deal they were offering with free resets, and Prop Score they were giving us some accounts to give away. So I wanted to try them on my own just to kind of see what the kind of vibe was with them, Rise or PayPal. Very cool. PayPal doesn't take a percentage fee, do they? Right? Like PayPal, it's just transfer to your bank. If you do the instant transfer, I'm sure there's a fee, but The activation fee is 40% off right now with Next Gen with the code SCORE40. Hey, babe. Want to say hi? No? I got you. I got some jalapeno poppers.
This is jasmine rice.
I'm not a fan.
Well, it's carbs, and you gotta have that. It's balanced.
Right, but there's no flavor. It's just rice.
You're good.
But it's just dry rice.
It's a carb, and you have to have it.
Right, but
So just-
bread is also a carb.
Nope. Wrong.
it
It
is.
is, but it's also full of sugar.
But this is just rice.
You're not 5. You'll be all right.
But it has no flavor. It's just like eating chalk. I love you. Like, it doesn't even have like soy sauce on it, or hot sauce, or ranch.
Do you know what most people eat?
Guacamole. Guacamole would be
the
great.
Same meals.
Right,
for
but it's not
days
just
on end.
dry rice.
It is. It actually.
But
is.
you could put some guacamole on the rice.
You don't need that.
But it has no flavor.
Oh my god. Okay, bye. Good luck, chat.
I love you. Who just eats dry rice? Who eats rice with nothing else? Who eats rice with nothing else? That is just insane to me. All right, we didn't take out the previous day low. Nice little pumpage back up here. Do I try and short into the previous day low? I think I do. Do I? I think I'm gonna try a short on the previous to get the previous day low here. Look for lower price action. All right. It doesn't even have gravy, and I have no ketchup to throw on it. So I got bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers. So it's jalapeno with cream cheese wrapped in bacon. Right? And then I've got just a bowl of rice. Just a bowl of freaking rice. I find it absolutely unappealing. Open the poppers, scramble them with the right rice. All right, I'm gonna take Dan's advice. I've seen some of Dan's cooking shows on Twitter. I've seen some of Dan's cooking shows. I'm gonna take Dan. I'm unwrapping the poppers. I'm unwrapping all the poppers. The nice thing is it'll just give me a bunch of bacon to eat. So we're unwrapping it. All right. Oh, dang it. Oh, that was close. I caught it before it hit the floor. Now we're going to take the cream cheese. Now we just have the jalapeno. Oh, we'll set that aside for a minute. Cream cheese into the bowl on number 2. And cream cheese into the bowl on number 3. Set that aside. Now we'll take all of the bacon, and we're gonna break up the bacon and put it into the rice along with the cream cheese. I don't have a knife in here, Dan. What am I supposed to use? I'm just gonna have to like peel it apart. All right, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Hey, we got to 400 likes, so I must be doing something right. Did I just blow that account? I think I did. I meant to switch to another account, damn it. Come on, chat. Where are you at? You're supposed to be helping me out. Keep track of that. All right, now we're just gonna peel apart the jalapeno. We're just peeling apart the jalapeno right here, breaking it all up. All right. We're almost there, and then I'm going to show you the final product. I need some good cooking lessons because man, that tastes delicious. God, that jalapeno is. I'm a big jalapeno guy. So good. All right. Now, I can't chop it up very fine. I just have to like peel it apart and like break it, pinch off a piece. I gotta pinch off a piece. All right, so here's where we're at. It's all kind of broken up together now. Now I just gotta mix it all up. Just mix it all up. Is it bad if I said she should have done this for me? Tickling jalapenos. You know me. Tickling jalapenos. I just feel completely out of the sync with the market tonight, man. When you go 0 for 2 right out of the gate, well, actually it was 1 for 3 because I did win my next gen. All right, so now that's not bad looking. That's not bad, right? Oh my God. Dan with the winning suggestion. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Oh my God, look at what is going on with the market right now. Can somebody please just tell me what the hell is happening? Because I don't understand. Dan saved the day for sure. This is so good now. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It's absolutely fantastic. It is. It's like a cheesy bacon jalapeno rice combo. The cream cheese just brings it all together, clumps it up a little bit. The jalapeno gives you, and the bacon, oh, what a great bowl. I went from being so disappointed with having to eat rice to now being like, this is the best meal I've had in like 2 weeks. What is happening? Somebody please tell me. I'm so happy with my meal, baby. Thank you for bringing this to me. Thank you for bringing this to me, lady Darb. I appreciate you. I love you. I know I had to work a little harder for it tonight, but it paid off. It paid off. Doghouse.
Breaking down the tape like a surgeon with proof. MHP and EST, let the winners run free. His voice cut the noise, unlock the key. Sign up that night, dove into the vault. Everything I missed at 41, now they whisper my fault. Still punching 5 days.
And done.
We can hustle cash, turn seed money. Finally seeing no way. Wasn't overnight.
I want that previous day low. I don't know that we're going to get it. I've been out of sync with the market tonight. You know what we need to do? We need to do a giveaway. Thank you guys for getting us to 400 likes. Code word. What's the code word? First giveaway tonight. Code word will be. I need some good ones. Doghouse might be a doghouse night. Bitch and Brad. Dry rice. I like dry rice. Dry rice it is. No. No dry rice. No dry rice. That's the code word.
Yeah, we making it.
No dry rice. So rude. That would have been. We'll do so rude next. My gosh. My freaking braids, man. This is some bull. Dan trying to save my meal and my trading career tonight. Ugh.
Years of wipeouts, accounts blown to dust, strategies crumbling, no one to trust, endless failures, every setup bust. Searching for answers in the trading mist, stumbled on rocket scooters twist, tools unlocked edges I never knew exist. Monthly trial, daily stream, the fog clears wide. I'm locked on MHP and I'm hunting half-gap buys. Rocket scooter, PNL climbs, the payouts gleam. Rocket scooter.
That bowl went from. Have you ever had one of those experiences where you just you judge a book by the cover and then it turns into a New York Times bestseller? Hey, Ricardo, thanks for coming in, man. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow night. This bowl is empty. Well, there's a little bit left in there, but I'm not going to scrape all that dry rice. Mostly empty. This bowl was definitely judge a book by the cover. And then it turns out to be an absolute banger of a meal. Absolute banger of a meal. I forgot that these flex accounts were 1,000 drawdown. For some reason, I thought they were 1,500 drawdown. I guess that's the take profit trade. The TPT accounts are $1,500 drawdown. I guess my funded futures is just 1K. I guess, man, that's the one thing about trading so many prop firms right now for me is I get their rules mixed up. I forget this account has this drawdown, this account has this loss limit, this account has this profit target. It's max loss limit, but the take profit trader 25Ks are 1,500. And for some reason, I thought that the flex and the rapids were both 1,500, but I guess they're not. I guess they're only 1,000. I want that previous day low on ES. That's what I'm holding for here. Previous day low. I guess what I should probably do is have a document up. Have like a little Excel spreadsheet up on my trading dashboard that has every account that I'm trading, eval and funded, and what the parameters are, just for a quick snapshot. Because now I've got next gen, TPT, Lucid, my funded futures. And then if I add back into Tradeify, that's 5, Tradeify Cup. It's just a lot of information to keep in your head on all these accounts. Well, no, prop score is for evaluating what account you want to buy. But when you're actually trading them, you need, like, I need a small little like window snapshot that I could just have. I could just build it in Google Sheets, you know, and just have, you know, my funded futures tab, or not tab, but column, 25K flex, parameters, eval, funded. Like, I could just build it out so that I could see it while I'm trading. Because once you get more than like 2 prop firms going, it's hard to keep them all straight. What's the consistency on this funded account versus what's the consistency on that funded account? All right. We're going to have a lot of ducks in this race. We're going to have a lot of ducks in this race. 30 more seconds. Ten more seconds. I need ES to find some weakness here. I just have my trading. All right, let's get the names up. How do I go back? How do I go clear? How do I go settings? Okay, names, edit list. Let's get rid of all these guys. Let me grab all the users. Stop typing, guys. We got 538 ducks to put in here, one at a time. I'm just kidding. All right, so we got, there's all the ducks. Everybody's duck is in here. 538 of you. Update, save. That's so done. We're going to do a 20. Let's do a 20. We'll do a 25-second race. All right. Is that good? 538 ducks about to take off. Set. Oh, look at them all. Here we go. I see Dan Emmons down here, a little pink duck, 167. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we got some contenders. Here we go. The race is on. Jake. Is it going to be Jake? Is it going to be Jake? Jake. Let's go. There you go, Jake. H007. Rigged. I see you, Jake. How do I grab the name? Can I copy that? How do I copy that? I can't. I'm just going to have to type it in. That sucks. All right. Lucid. 50K per row account, baby. Jake _ H007. Let's go, Jake. Jake, you know what to do. Go to the Prop Score Discord to claim your prize, claim your win channel. Good job, buddy. I don't know. The question becomes, chat, do we do the duck race again? Was that fine? No, we use your YouTube ID. Should we use the duck race again, or should we go back to spinning the wheel? What do you think? It's good. Duck race is lame. Needs to be longer. We can do longer. We can do like a 30-second race. Duck it. Duck race is cool. Duck the winner. Duck race. Yes, duck. I see a few wheels, but I see mostly ducks. Wheel is lame. A 30-second race? Is that really going to make a big difference? A 30-second race? Tucking the ducks? I'm not doing a 1-minute race. That's ridiculous. Because it doesn't even do anything until like the last 5 seconds. 25 seconds is long enough for us to sit here and look at it. No, we're not doing 1 minute. It's dumb. Kimberly says spin. Kimberly's not a fan of the ducks. The ducks do look a little like... They look a little cartoony, childish. You know what I mean? It looks a little like lo-fi. Tell your wife to make you do it. There's ducks in Texas. What? Of course there's ducks in Texas. We'll get to 500 likes. We'll do another one. Ducks keep the audience on their toes a little bit. It just looked, I wish it was a little bit more like, write down every name and pull it out of a hat. I mean, that's literally what we're doing with the duck race and the spin your wheel. Maybe there's a pull it out of the hat competition. I know, that's what I was thinking too. Adam, like literally last night, I had that idea. Build an app. Build our own custom giveaway app that's rocket scooters going to the moon. I think that would be a cool... Somebody needs to build a rocket scooter giveaway platform where we can enter all the names. Everybody gets their own custom rocket scooter, and it's a race to the moon. That would be cool. Somebody can vibe code that, I bet, pretty easily.
Set tight, feet up, chilling under moonlight. No more fear, no more afraid. Yeah, today's a good day. Today's a good day, me can feel it. The sky so blue, me wanna steal it. The wind in my face, worries fade away. Today's a good day, yeah. Today's a good day. Today's a good day. Yeah, yeah. Rocket scooter. All good, good day. Oh, today's a good day.
500 likes. Did we get there? Sorry, I was sending a message. I was apologizing. I was kind of a jerk. I was kind of a jerk. No, I see 494. Somebody's taking their likes away. Probably because I keep blowing up these stupid trades. I cannot get a vibe on this Asian market right now tonight, man. My TP would be if ES can get underneath the low of the day here, I would close it out. My stop loss is probably like 750. The nice thing is we do have hedge pressure above us holding this down. We've made, so if you're following kind of your downtrend, you know, you've had your lower low, your lower high, lower low. Hopefully hedge pressure will hold us down again and send us back lower. That's what I'm hoping for. 513, there we go. All right, need a new code word. Let me reset this tool. We'll do one more duck race. And then I don't know about it. I don't know after that. I'm still kind of on the fence about the duck race. What's up, Melon Kunis? How you doing? You go to the song submission channel in the Prop Score Discord. So join Prop Score Discord. It's free. Go to the song submission channel and you can upload your song there. Eat your rice. I did eat my rice. There's only just like 2 spoonfuls of it left. I ate pretty much every bit of it. Rudeness, vibes code, vibe code, eat your rice. Is that, oh, you're giving me, is that, Lady Darb's giving me the keyword. Sorry. Eat your rice. I have to use her code word. Eat your rice is the code word. Eat your rice. There's your code word. Type it in. Type it in. Eat your rice. Come on, ES. Give me a little dumpage here. I know you want to take out the previous day low. You're not just going to get within 2 points of the previous day low and leave it right there. You're just not going to do that. I know you're not going to do that. You're going to come down and you're going to take out the previous day low before you do anything else. You're not just going to rip all-time highs without taking the previous day low out. Come on. Come on, baby. You know you want it.
Cubicle chains, they're choking my soul. Rat race grinds got me losing control. Prop firms my shot, I'm learning the game. Rocket scooters calling, fueling the flame. Resilience is high, DD bands in view. Half gaps coming, I know what to do. HP's humming, MHP's strong. Bull zones holding, I'm where I belong. Monday maps got my heart's keeping time. ASD, baby, this trade is mine.
This what I'm experiencing tonight is exactly what I experienced in the Ninja Trader tournament today. Where I was just offsides all day. My analysis was, I don't feel like my analysis changed too much. Like from what I normally do or operate. And I think that's just part of the variance of trading, that sometimes your analysis is right on point. And even though you're doing the same thing every day, it's going to be, if your edge is there statistically over time, it will play out that you'll be accurate more often than you're not. But then there will be days like I've had today and tonight where I feel like my analysis is in line with my edge, but the market is just not it just isn't, it's not there. It's not participating with me in that. So, and that's not the market's fault. The market is just going to do what it's going to do. It's my fault of not being able to adapt or change or pivot. I still like this trade here. So I still do think the previous day low gets tapped. Now, is it going to happen and let me participate on it on this trade? I don't know. Hopefully hedge pressure won't just yank me around one more time.
No more 9 to 5, no more despair. Prop firm funded, I'm breathing new air.
There's hedge pressure test one more time.
My battle plan, from the grind to glory. I'm my own man. Rise to riches, break the cage. Rock your scooter, rise the page. Push fan roars, my dreams ignite. Rise to riches, I've won the fight. EST every single time. Rise up. Whoa, ooh. Staring at the chart,
Currently, I'm short and getting my ass handed to me.
half gaps lurking. I know
I was long and I got my ass handed to me. Now I'm short and getting my ass handed to me. I am the liquidity on my paper trading accounts tonight for all of you. I'm short. I'm literally short right now.
gonna seize the day.
Typically, when price opens up below our high volume pivots, they do tend to act as resistance. Once they break through, they can become support. That was my first long, was a retest to go long. That got hammered. Then it was a looking for to take out the previous day low here on ES. I'm going to give you about 20 more seconds, guys. 20 more seconds. We're going to do one more duck race. I'll give it one more shot. I need to edit list. Let me get rid of all of these names. All right. I'm grabbing all the names. No more entries. No more entries. Bot is turned off. Only 482 this time. I'll go 30 seconds. We're not going. 30 seconds is plenty long. We don't need to do more than 30 seconds. You can stop typing, eat your rice. All of the ducks are in. Set. Here we go. 10-minute race. 30 seconds. Top 5 takes a. Here comes Scott Trades Futures. Something gospel clarity. Scott Trades Futures. Top 5. Down at the bottom, we've got the Prophet Guru, Jeffrey and me. Look out! Here comes Manjulam. 9 seconds coming from behind. Thunder Donkey making a run. Fraser making a run. Thunder Donkey. Thunder Donkey. Thunder Donkey. Let's go. All right. Rigged. That was my funded futures MFF 25K rapid account. Thunder Donkey 1. Congratulations. Go to the Prop Score Discord, claim your win channel, submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. You know how to do it. All right. I'm done with the duck race, I think. It's all right. I like spin your wheel. Maybe we'll do the duck race one more time later tonight. Do 5. You want to do like a tournament? Race 5 and then put the winners into a champion bracket, and then those 5 get to win. One of those wins the account. You guys like the duck race that much? Really? A 1 second duck race? Oh my gosh. Can I select like how many winners, and then I can move those winners into the final round? A duck off. The duck off. Here we come into the 9 o'clock hour, guys. This is kind of do or die for me here at this spot. I still think somebody has got to vibe code a rocket scooter giveaway app like the duck race, but make it rocket scooters and it's a race to the moon. Everybody launches and it's a race to the moon. Somebody's got to build that. Farina, you're working on it? Baller. You can do it by tomorrow's stream. Hook me up, baby. Hook me up. We will test it live on the stream. If you can build it, I will use it. 100% I'll use it. And then some of the scooters get shot by red candle lasers. Or you could have like them flying through an asteroid field, you know? You can have the rocket, like an asteroid field comes at them and it starts knocking them out. And the asteroids are Trump tweets. It's like Trump head asteroids coming at the rocket scooters, and the Trump heads like explode into the rocket scooters and take them out. That could be fun. That got out of hand pretty quick. I don't know. I feel like it fits the vibe. Farina is an AI, y'all. Farina doesn't sleep because she's AI. Y'all haven't figured it out yet, but Farina's artificial intelligence. She's our first agentic, intelligent being. Ice Wild, I've just never traded it. It's like me, people coming in here and saying like, hey, trade gold, trade silver, trade whatever, trade corn, trade pork. I know nothing about it, and I just don't really have an interest in jumping onto that. I don't even think, do they have a Nokia futures option? For rocket scooter, Australian dollar, euro dollar, New Zealand futures, Bitcoin futures, crude oil, E-mini, gold, lean hog, copper, the New York Harbor. What did we say this was? sulfur something. I can't remember what that is, but we talked about that one night. The Russell, the micro, natural gas, platinum, RBOB gasoline. I don't know what RBOB stands for. Silver, Europe dated Brent futures, CBOE VIX, USD dominated IBO Vespa index, Dow Jones, 30-year treasury bond, corn futures, 10-year treasury notes, soybeans. Ultra low sulfur diesel. That was what it was, OmniChamp. Thank you. Ultra low sulfur diesel. God, I can't talk. RBOB is reformulated blend stock for oxygenated blending. What in the hell? Why do we have a futures contract for that? What's my take on lean hogs? I like fat hogs. Lean hogs doesn't sound very good to eat to me. I think fat hogs would be better. Rocket Scooter has soybeans. Yep. What in the world is reformulated blend stock for oxygenate blending? Why? How do I play the duck race? I'll give you a code word for the next one. I'll give you a code word when we get there. When we get there. So if you hold a hogs contract till expiration, they ship you 100 pigs. I think it's more than 100, right? What's a contract? How many hogs do you control on one contract for futures? I don't even know. What's up, Kevin? It's the crack spread, so it's what it costs to reformulate crude oil into gasoline. Ah. Gotcha. Here we go. Come on, ES. Come on down here. Let's get that previous day low. I know you want to come down here. Come to daddy. Options contracts are 100. So for every contract on lean hogs, you're basically buying or selling 100 pigs. $40,000 of lean hog carcasses. Is that really what it is? Is that really what it is? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Take it out. Take it out. It's a lot of bacon. Give me one. I've got one win. I've got about a $600 win on this on my Gen X account down here. Blew up this eval because for some reason in my head I thought this was a $1,500 drawdown and I was completely wrong and bamboozled on that. Haven't touched these rapid accounts yet. I need ES. HP held off again. That's nice. Nice to see HP holding up strong as resistance. Now we just need it to sell off, take out that previous day low, and I'll just be one little happy camper. Guys, let's get to, we have how many more? We have 4 more accounts to give away tonight. 4 more My Funded Futures 25K rapid accounts, the primo of all accounts on Prop Score. I'm going to clear this filter out. How do I clear the filter? Clear. 25K, 10.0. 25K accounts. These are the accounts we're giving you away right here. 40% off right now. $65. You can get 3 of these for $65 right now with code SCORE. 10.0 Prop Score. You can take out a $10,000 payout on day 1 of your funded account. 50% consistency on the eval, no consistency, no daily loss limit on funded. You can take out up to $10,000 with a 90% profit split. You can get daily payouts, 25K rapid accounts, $65. These are the accounts that we're giving away right now. We have 4 more of them to give away to you tonight. Kimberly is all about spinning the wheel tonight. Kimberly, I will save 1 wheel spin for you for sure. All right, we will spin that wheel 1 time tonight for sure. Adam's like, F that duck. Do not do this to me. Come on, come on. You know you want to come down there. Well, looks like I'm still offsides. This is going to be one of those nights that's just very frustrating. Last night was one of those nights that was everything was green. Every decision was the right decision. And tonight it's almost the antithesis. It's the paradoxical night of Monday night's show. Everything is red and every decision is the wrong decision. It's very frustrating. So My Funded Futures has a monthly active or monthly charge only if you fail the account. Like if you don't cancel, like let's say you buy an EVAL, and let's say you blow it up and you don't cancel the account, it will recharge you the next month and reset that EVAL. If you pass the account, I don't think they charge you anymore. It's only if you haven't passed or if you blow up the eval. Well, frick, man. Should have got out of break even? Yeah, probably. Matt said the PA tonight was going to be bad. Matt was supposed to text me that key information before the show began. I quit. See y'all later. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Made 1,200, you're out. Good job. Good job. That's what I like to see. Been scalping up and down, even better. Kyle's back. All right, now the market can behave. We're just floating around Globex Open. HP is so far held price down. It definitely feels like it doesn't really know what it wants to do. In about 15 minutes, the Hong Kong comes online in 15, 20 minutes, right? At the bottom of the hour. I just feel like very frustrated with my... Well, that's not even true. I don't feel frustrated with my analysis. My analysis technically was the right play on the first trade, going long on the retest of hedge pressure. The second entry probably could have been a little bit better. I was looking for basically for VWAP to hold us down and then take out the previous day low. After that massive momentum candle down, I was looking for just a little retrace to VWAP and then dump it. So both analyses were actually, I think, fairly healthy and technically correct. And if they're not going to work out, then that's just what's going to happen. You submitted your first song. It's called Might Be Addicted. Nice. I'll listen. Maybe it'll bring me some good luck in my trade.
just one, then I won't. I need it, need it, need it. I feed it, feed it, feed it. Up, down, all week, my heart won't leave. Might be addicted. I know the patterns, I know all the signs. Candles and numbers dance into my eyes. When the bell rings, I feel that spark. Chasing that hit like a wave in the dark. I tell myself stop, then I don't. I say just one, then I won't. I need it, need it, need it. I feed it, feed it, feed it. Up, down, all week, my heart won't leave. Might be addicted.
This is Melon Kunis wrote this song. Melon on Discord, prop score. It's in the song submission channel.
Might be addicted.
Well done, Melon. Very good. It didn't really bring me the luck I was hoping for. But great listen anyway. Very nice. Keep up. Do another one. Put some more in there. Of course, yeah. Very, very well done. I just need I'm reaching that point on this trade with this account that I'm like the full port itch is strong on this one. I did do the ducks. Yeah. You weren't here, Kyle? You weren't here for the ducks? We did 2 duck races. You did. I did 2 of them. I don't ever look at the euro, no. I used to trade Forex all the time. Trade euro dollar, pound dollar, CAD dollar, euro Swiss, pound yen, Aussie dollar. I used to trade all that stuff. Don't full port? Nah, this account it's too far gone at this point. It's a kind of a one and done, which is fine. I don't mind. I've got 5 funded accounts right now, so that's 5 funded accounts is a lot for me to manage on my own anyway. I really only have these evals fired up just for the stream on the Asia, because quite honestly, the Asia session for me is I'm still, even after 4 months, I'm still kind of like getting my feet under me. Like I'm having more good nights now than I'm having bad nights on my trading, but I'm still not like crazy confident in my Asia trades right now. So I typically don't trade my funded accounts at all during the Asia session. I typically only do those in the New York session. The only exception I have to that is my Gen X account down here. This 25K next gen funded account. I have taken all of these trades in the Asia session to get that $5,000 profit. So, do you even trade funded, bro? Do you even trade funded? Where's the song? It's in the prop score, Ironbug Mike. You got to go to prop score Discord. Song submission channel in the props. We moved all of the song submission stuff from Rocket Scooter over to prop score. So it's just that's why I have these evals fired up. If they do well, they do well. If they don't, it's to me because I have the funded accounts that I do have right now, and several of them are close to payouts. The evals, quite honestly, are just for the stream. You know, I just trade them because I'm here and I'm streaming with you guys, and I want to trade them well. It's not that I don't want to trade them well. I just don't. Number one, I don't get emotionally invested with them, if that makes sense. And it's easier for me to trade them. I can cycle through them. My monthly budget based, because I had such a huge April from Lucid, all the payouts I've had from Lucid, my monthly budget is in a very healthy place right now that I can afford to trade them more aggressively when I get the opportunity. So the Rocket Scooter replay, I don't know what that one is. Is that on the song submission channel? Rocket Scooter replay? Man, freaking just on the wrong side. And now if I switch to a new eval and I try to go long off of MHP, I just feel like I'm going to get smacked again. I almost feel like I just need to like take a 30 or 45 minute pause before I do anything else and see what happens. I could just, you know, like nah, it's about to blow. It's about to blow. It would need a miraculous Trump tweet right now to save it. Trade the opposite of what you're thinking. Well, what I'm thinking right now is if this blows and closes above HP, I would want to go long here, which would mean I would need to go short, which is what I'm in currently. So, no, it's not your fault. Melon Kunis, it's not your fault. Like this, I pushed the buttons. I made the decisions. It's super choppy. It is a kind of a weird price action night. HP being so active, holding it down, then blowing through, then blowing right back through, and then holding it down again. It's just weird. Like it held his resistance. It didn't even pause going up. It didn't pause coming down, and now it's struggling to close above. But I don't think it's in the cards for this to just sell off from this point now. Could, but I don't think it's. You can see the trade right over here. I'm on 3 micro NQs. Right here. Well, no, 6 micro NQs. I'm using ES as my analysis, right? If I go to the MNQ chart, you can see there's no high volume pivot around here. So I'm using the ES level because they move in tandem somewhat. So if ES is going to sell off from weekly hedge pressure, it's probably going to drag NQ down with it. So it's just it's a proxy trade is what we call it. So I'm looking at the ES levels, but I'm trading on NQ or MNQ. ARB doesn't show anything because it doesn't work in the Asia session. We don't have ARB, we don't have resilience, we don't have liquidity pockets, none of that. These markets smell like farts. That's hilarious. We have, what do we have? We have 4 more giveaways to do, guys. Get us to 600 likes. There's 800 people watching the show right now, which is incredible. That's baller. I'm so happy about that. Welcome into the show, guys. Thank you for being here again. But we need to get the likes up to 600, and we have 4 more My Funded Futures 25K rapid accounts. These are the best accounts. They score a 10.0, mathematically ranked model based on return on investment, simplicity to pass, drawdown per price, price per time in market, and payout, daily payouts, max payouts, monthly payouts. It just kicks ass all across the board. My Funded Futures 25K rapid. We have 4 more of these accounts to give away to you guys tonight. Account saved. Dan, I almost full ported. Do you remember that night, Dan, when we I just full ported because I was just tired of it and I wanted it to blow up? I almost did that just now, and I'm kicking myself for not. I almost just did it again because I was like, I'm just tired of this thing. I just want to blow it up. Account saved, hedge pressure. It's just playing with us, man. It's just like one of these torturous murder scenes where the guy's just like, you're gonna die, but I'm gonna take my time, just like giving you paper cuts until you bleed to death. That's what it feels like on this account right now. I cut the trade, yep, and then 2 minutes later, it ripped another 150 points. I remember that, yep. That was a crazy night. That's when we were talking about full port shorten, and we were talking about what we were going to call. Wasn't that the night we were talking about, like, pinching the peak and all that? Man, my nose is getting all stoppy, and my throat is getting all not great. I definitely think that whatever Lady Darb had, she has passed it to me. I don't, like, feel bad, but I can just feel my head, like, getting congested. Dude, are we going to come out and take out are we going to come take it out? Hong Kong's about to come online. As long as we're range bound from this to be the low and we retest that low, this account was literally like $40 from breach. You can see my trade literally on my DOM. It's right here. It's right here. Above my head. 6 micros at 28,905 micro NQM. It's literally right there above my head. Question is do I go to break even or do I hold out from my original analysis and we shoot for the previous day low? It won't. The trades are not going to show up on the charts because I'm not logged in on TradingView with My Funded Futures. I'm logged in with my next gen account. So you're going to have to see all the trades over here. Hold. Chop me harder, daddy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to have to listen to that one before I play it on the stream. Good Lord. That's a little aggressive. I'm gonna have to vet that one. I'm sure it's not bad, but I just, I can't take the chance on my show there. I'm asking all of the DGen gamblers what I should do on my trade. Chat, should I hold or should I go to break even? The DGen gamblers. Hold it, baby. Hold it. Kyle, you got a second payout today? Holy crap, bro. Let's go. I'll be in profit soon. Just hold. I was ready for this account to say goodbye, so we can hold. I've already just accepted that this account is dead. So let's just hold it and see what happens. I've accepted its death already. I've accepted its death. Go break even and wait another retest of the HP. That's actually probably the best advice the chat has given. I'm holding for 73.54. That's what I'm holding. 73.54. New session low. Hong Kong just came online. Hold. 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 I should be listening to this song. Charts don't give a damn. Your account was almost blown with that position. Guys, I tell you, you should not copy trade me. Please don't. I don't want you getting mad at me. You got to take responsibility. You're pushing the buttons. Yeah, the entry was not ideal. Agreed. Entry was definitely not ideal. Dude, we're so close to 600. We need 3 more likes, guys. 3 more is all we need. We're here to copy everything you do. I definitely would say the Asia session is not where you want to be copying me. You can find my playlist in the description of this video. There's a link to my Suno playlist in the description of this video. I need Trump to say something bad. New week opening gap. Yep. I am not the GOAT, but I appreciate the compliment either. Anyway. How do you keep skipping my message? Cut for a loss now. I don't know. I'm on live chat. Hold. 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 I'm going for the previous day low. Come on. 354. 354. What a terrible time. There I go again, making money. Rockin' scooter, feet too clean, feeling almost coming. Stacking like it's funny, kinda legal. Hit the half gap, bulls, don't still play it humble. Almost feels criminal. Rockin' scooter, print. Your song did bring me luck. It just didn't do it while it was playing. This account is probably dead. It's going to just completely flip here and rip up. I'm calling it right here. It's going to completely flip and rip up. I don't know, man. This kind of feels... We had an engulfing, for all of you candle pattern traders, had a nice little engulfing bearish candle on the 30-minute right there. If you're an ICT trader, this is a nice little order block to trade from. It shouldn't come back above or 50% of this blue bar, this up close candle. That open right there is the top of your order block if you're an ICT trader. You had a nice hourly pin bar up here to set up the down move. Or a half-hour pin bar there. We'll see if this 30-minute order block holds up or not. Shall we? Technically, you have a breaker block here, the last down close candle before you run liquidity, and then you close back through a fair value gap. That's a breaker block. I know my IT stuff, man. Don't you play with me. Dump it, baby. Give me a red FU candle. Let's go. About to invert this fair value gap. New day opening gap. Went right back up to the bottom of that new day opening gap. Second payout acquired. Let's go, Kyle. 2 in 1 day. You go from nothing in 6 months to 2 in 1 day, dude. That's incredible. That's incredible, man. Way to go. Sell it, baby. Sell it. A lot of selling pressure here in the last 15 minutes or so. Quite the engulfing candle on that 10-minute. And the 15. And the 30. And the 1 hour. I like it. I don't know. I think I'm going to be okay here. Hold. 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 Let's go. Come on, baby. Give it me a little bit more. I need 6 more points, ES. 6 more points. Where's my Braveheart memes? I wish we could put memes in the YouTube chat. Although you guys would never stop. It would just be meme central. We would never be able to read anything. The first and last are the most expensive. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. There would be a meme tsunami in here. Hey, 618. I like it. 618. Give me a keyword. Give me a keyword, chat. Hold. We can do hold. Hold is good. Hold the line. That's even better. Hold the line. Hold the line. I like it. Hold the line's the keyword. Type it in. All one word. Hold the line, baby. There you go. There's your keyword. Hold. Give me a red FU candle. Again, I've already accepted I've accepted the loss on this. I've accepted that this account is dead. Any money it makes now from this point on, it's I want my take profit, or I don't want to see this account anymore. That's how I feel about this account. Hit my take profit, damn it, or I don't even care about you. lot of buyers down here trying to hold this up. Having some difficulty breaking through. Having some difficulty breaking through here. And we're back into the break-even red line here. Not ideal. Oh, it's been quite entertaining, though. It's been quite entertaining. What a crappy trading session. I don't like it. I don't like it. All right, we're going to do... you got 30 seconds, guys. And then we'll do one more duck race. I'll let chat pick the time limit as long as it's anything under a minute or less. My throat is definitely getting a little sore. That's not good. Not good. We could do 69 seconds. We could do 67 seconds. Get yourself some oregano oil. I'm trying to pay attention. I'm watching the timer on my bot, and I'm watching chat, and I'm watching the trade. I really don't want to pull duck race up. I don't want to pull duck race up while we're this close to TP, because I have a manual TP on this right now. I'm going to exit when ES takes out the daily low. That's my exit, and I don't want to do it. Let them wait. All right, I'll tell you this. No more entries. I'm turning the bot off, all right? The bot is off. No more entries. You can stop typing. There's 453 people. You can stop typing. Take the profit. Oh, I love how chat gets so emotionally involved in my trades. I love it. I love it. Half of you are like, go break even. Half of you are like, take the profit. Half of you are like, hold. It's so awesome. You get so emotionally involved in my trade. I know you want the best for me. I want the best for me too, but I already have 5 funded accounts. And quite honestly, the thought of having to manage like 7 or 8 funded accounts right now does not sound fun to me. Turn the bot off after 1 minute, make it more competitive for the people paying attention. Maybe. We have the same trade. Papa Les, we're in the same trade. All right, well, that makes me feel better. Makes me feel better that I'm short with Papa Les. I'm short 6 micros. You can see it on my DOM right above my head. Right above my head in the video, you can see my DOM. Hey, Shivax, thanks for being here, man. Go tuck yourself, buddy. We'll see you tomorrow night, all right? You just want the race. You don't care about my trade. All right. I see how you are. Chat, you better yell at me if we start getting down there. You better freaking yell at me in the chat right now. All right. Edit list. Delete. New list. 465 names. We're going to go 69 seconds. 69 seconds. All right. Set. Here we go. Off to the races we go. Ticks for Tally out front. Paulo Oliveira. Gamma's taking a quick lead. Sinister Scalper, falling back. Java Y, Ken Charge. Ticks for Tally still hanging in. Lauren Hall up in the front. Here comes 2 Luke 7 and Lisa Babies. We still got 36 seconds. This race is far from over. John White making a run. Marzina up front. Jax. Here comes Tim Korth out of nowhere, taking a strong lead. Oh, up at the top. Chump Trader. Chump Trader coming in strong. Nope, he ran out of gas. Chump Trader falling back. Walker Hound is making a slow approach. Here comes Savage Princess out of nowhere. Savage Princess out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. From the back of the pile, Savage Princess, PG Contract for the win. PG Contract for the win. That was savage. Savage. Dang. Wow. What a race. What a race. PG Contract 729 is the winner. You have been entered into the winner's circle. Congratulations. I know, Savage Princess. It's so bad. You were right there, and this is why the duck race sucks. This is why the duck race sucks, because when you spin the wheel, you don't know how close you are to winning. But with the duck race, you get your hopes up, and then they just get dashed on the rocks of disappointment. Oh, my God. PG Contract. Did they say anything? PG Contract, did they say anything? What happened to my trade? That's horrible. My trade is at break even. Did PG Contract say anything? I haven't seen PJ Contract say anything. They did? Okay, cool. Cool. Hopefully he knows the drill. Go to the Prop Score Discord. Go to the Claim Your Win channel. Submit a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Well, this just sucks now, man. So disappointing. So disappointing. If I was looking at this from a technical analysis, this right here should hold price down. That's your ICT bearish fair value gap along with VWAP. Price shouldn't close back above that. If we're going to see lower prices, should respect that and then fall lower. I'm telling you, the duck race is not good for your mental health. I promise you, the spinning the wheel is so much easier on your mental health. Consequent encroachment. Oh, the 5-minute bearish fair value gap.
Psychology's failing miserably, it's so hard to be left all alone. Telling you is the only chance for me. There's nothing left but.
ES to session high is good for mental health. Don't speak that evil over me, Cave Manning. Don't you speak that over me. What a roller coaster ride of a Asia session, man. Whippy. No continuation. Whippy, whippy, whippy. No continuation. I'm pretty sure it picks a winner at the beginning, and then it's just animation all the way through. Complete animation. Look at this. Look at this absolute trash. Absolute trash. There's your ICT failure. Look at the absolute trash. Holy mother. Goodbye. My gosh.
Takes you out of the frame and puts your name to shame. Cover up your face. You can't run the race. The pace is too fast. You just won't last, won't last.
There's your emotional disturbance. Oh. What a disappointment. See, the ducks piss you off, right? Half of the chat is like, I told you to go to break even. Half of the chat is like, oh man, that sucks. So funny. Now watch it go take out the previous day low right here. At least I had some dry rice today. Dan, don't you bring that into me, man. Dan's over there like, I told you what to do 25 minutes ago, son. This was a total cluster duck. This Drake can just duck off. Just ducking tuck us early. I've never had more fun blowing up 2 accounts. Gotta be honest. Do I feel like this candle was personal? Hitch It does feel a little personal, doesn't it? It definitely feels a little personal. I'm definitely taking it that way. Such just like, what the hell, man? Yeah, it's not real money, so I don't care. That's exactly right, Papa Les. I mean, it's real money in the sense that I spent $57 on those accounts. So yeah, that money's gone. So I'm out 2 days of trading and $114. Yeah, normally the 25K accounts are where I'm comfortable, just because I can buy so many of them and I can give myself plenty of opportunity to pass them and load up my funded farm system. Try dropping 100K of your own money. Yeah, that would feel a lot differently, wouldn't it? Still can't get under the May 7th point of control. Holding strong. Holding strong. I still feel like we make a new daily low before we go higher. I think, at least on ES, I think we make a new daily low and Wednesday becomes your low of the week. And then we rip Thursday and Friday, I think, are higher. I think Thursday and Friday are higher price action. Next Gen website down. I have no idea. I haven't looked at it since before the show started. I can go look. It doesn't look like it. I'm logging in right now. Let's see if it lets me log in. Nope, it's still there. Everything's working. NextGenProTraderFunding.com. It's a really long name for a website. Really long name for a website. All right, we still have 3. Is that right? We still have 3 My Funded Futures accounts to give away. We will do one for the next each 15 minutes. So we'll do one each for the next 15 minutes. So we'll do our next one at 10:15, and then we'll do one at 10:30. Then we'll do one at 10:45 before I tuck you all in for the night.
Without a plan for next, I keep it original, like God taught me. He was the first real OG. He keeps me
Next Gen Pro Trader Funding, Technical Trading Indicator Software Services.com. Does NinjaTrader work with Next Gen accounts? I don't know. So they give you AMP credentials. You actually log in with an AMP account. And you actually log in with an AMP live account. So I don't know if you can use your AMP credentials to log into NinjaTrader or not. I'm not an expert on that.
enjoying what God gave me. Trying to stay on the same straight street, although my bones are getting achy. Not how they were when I was 18. Lately, he's been giving me safety out of the maybe. So
Next Gen only works with TradingView is what someone in the chat is saying. So
I keep it original, like God taught me. He was the first
swans are better luck than ducks. Farina, how's the rocket scooter giveaway app coming? Any luck?
with the say. 'Cause tomorrow's not promised today.
Oh man, I gotta get this fan situated. Hold on. We've hit that point in the night where the sweaty situation. Gotta get the angle just right. Don't rush you. I'm not rushing you. Zill, you and me both, buddy. You and me both. I went long, got my butt kicked. Went short, got my butt kicked. Whatever I'm doing, it's a fade Brad night tonight. That is definitely. I didn't bring the Uncrustables. I was getting my drinks ready. And I looked in the freezer just for a second. I don't have any Uncrustables. I did have a bag of like frozen blueberries. I had a bag of like frozen fruit, like bananas and strawberries. Thought about bringing them down here, but they would be, I need to put them in like a cooler or something so that when I get to the last hour of the show and it's like 95,000 degrees in here, I can just get into my cooler and get my my unmuskables out, as Kyle called them. Yeah, last trade I took both of my last trades were losses, Mally. Like absolute trash. Don't rush it, Dave. You know better. Don't rush it. 625, 1 millimil, 625 to pass in 2 days. Oh, it's just one of those nights, man. It's just very, very, very frustrating. The nice thing was, you know, like I said before, I had already written that account off. It was fun entertainment. What is this song? What in the hell is this song? That's crazy. What's up, Trady? Mally, my favorite prop firm right now would be a toss-up between Lucid and My Funded Futures. They're both fantastic. My Funded Futures has more account options to choose from, to pick from. Lucid, their flex accounts to me, you have a better drawdown to take profit. You only have to make $12.50 to pass the flex. On the My Funded Futures, you have to make $1,500. My Funded Futures on their flex accounts, it's 80% profit split. Lucid is 90% profit split. They both have no daily loss limit or consistency on the funded side. They both let you take out $1,000 every 5 days. I think the edge goes to Lucid on the flex accounts. My Funded Futures is a little bit more expensive as well. You just want to give up on a day like today? I mean, sometimes the best thing to do is just to walk away. Like, for me, these evaluations, like I said again, these evaluations are not a make or break deal for me. These are, I'm not going to let these trades mean nothing to me. They will have zero impact on what I do in the New York session tomorrow. Absolutely nothing. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to go to sleep. I'm going to wake up in the morning, and I'm 51 years old. I'm going to forget this stream even happened. Checking the announcements in Discord. Sure, buddy. Oh, baby. Just got a new announcement. This week on the Discord giveaway show, they've got a very special guest joining Kyle and Farina. Our very own Daddy Matt Matoski, the founder of PropScore, the inventor of Rocket Scooter, will be hopping on for a founders Q&A prop firm hot take segment at the start of the Discord show. You can drop your questions. There's a form in the announcements channel. You can drop your questions, prop firm hot takes, payout drawdown opinions, or anything you want Matt to talk about on the Discord giveaway. They'll pick the best ones and have Matt react. So giveaway show will be on the 22nd, Friday, after market close, as normal, heading into the weekend. So, special guest, Matoski, making a guest appearance. And extra giveaway accounts, I hear. Chuck E. Cheese is the guest. I know, Melon. I was up and I was waiting for my take profit, and then I just got completely blue chew pill candles. Wiped me out. It is what it is. What do you call us? Matt calls us degenerates. Neon calls us scoundrels. What do I call you? You're my wick ticklers, man. Bunch of wick ticklers. I don't know. What do you want me to call you? What do you want me to call you? Gambling friends. Call me daddy. Wick ticklers. Let's go. Traders. Daily mana. So formal. Some of you are degens. Some of you are trolls. Some of you are newbies. Wickologists. Scallywags. Wicklers. Wicklers isn't bad. It's a nice... Wicklers is not a bad little combo name. Hairy Uncrustables. Definitely not carrot lovers. I need to tickle some wicks. I haven't tickled the wick in a little while. Silver Fox lovers, Miss K, making me blush over here. Would I short ES? I don't know, man. I'm at a complete loss. I'm completely out of tune with what the market's doing right now. I call chat annoying. No, I don't. Some nights you can be annoying. HP could hold up here again and give you another shot down. It's definitely not showing any willingness to find bull pressure here. The buying pressure dies out at this level, and the bears kind of pick it up. And then when we get down to that bottom of that range, the bears die out and have no steam to take it lower, and the bulls pick it back up. So it's just one of those... I just got chopped. This is a classic chop scenario, and I was just on the wrong side of the chop tonight, both times. I was looking for a continuation play off of my first buy from HP. Obviously got slapped very quickly and roughly. It could be we're waiting for FOMC minutes tomorrow, and we have NVIDIA earnings at market close tomorrow as well. So, Chop Fest, biggest wickus is right on, man. Which Chop Fest is fine. I don't mind Chop Fest as long as I'm like clear that we would be in kind of some consolidation zone that I could play the edges. I was looking, so the reason I got chopped tonight is because I was buying the top and selling. I diddled in the middle on my second trade, and I got completely pummeled. Had I just waited for another HP test, it would have been a miraculous trade, big green. And instead, I was impatient, diddled in the middle, and got hammered. I got blended up. Chopped up. Trading around the daily pivot. Yep. We certainly are. Which, if you're a scalper, range trading can be a scalper's paradise. Trading back to the middle. I was looking for a continuation play both times and didn't get it. So lesson learned, be more patient. I don't really feel like I was overconfident in my approach tonight. But I also, my second trade definitely was impatient and not a great entry. That's on me. Absolutely, that's on me. Oh, all right. Coming up on our next giveaway, about 5 more minutes. Winers or losers to win. I'm going to need a new keyword there. NVIDIA earnings tomorrow, I think after close, are going to jolt the market a little bit. I think tomorrow we have a new low of day on at least ES. I don't know that we make a new low of day on NQ, but I think ES gives us a new low of day tomorrow. I think Thursday and Friday we bounce. Wicklers. I like Wicklers. Let's do Wicklers. I might have to reset my bot. It often at this time of night, it makes me oh no, it worked. Cool. All right, Wicklers it is. Type it in, Wicklers. Wicketeers, that's kind of cool too. Wicketeers is nice. I like Wicklers. Oh. You know what I'm going to do? Hold on a second.
City asleep, but the chart still breathe. Asia session with the stealthy speed. Bears on tap, then the buyer squeeze. Stops get harvested overseas. Fast tape flashing in the candle seas, but the pros move slow with the strategy.
I'm going to leave my office door open a little bit, see if I can get some of that cold AC coming in. There's nobody else in the little office wing here. There's nobody else in here, so if I hear somebody come in, I'll have to close it, but I'll leave the door open, and maybe I can get some heat, some cold air circulating in.
Stats over stats over stacks. Process over hype. One clean trade. We ride it all night. Stats over stacks. Edge on the track.
Look at look at the barcoding. Just barcoding. A lot of wicks down here. Guys, look at the 4-hour time frame. Does this look bullish or bearish? 4-hour time frame, bullish or bearish? Neutral, bearish, bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish, 4-hour bearish. It's higher time frame, 4-hour. What do y'all think? Bearish or bullish? Choppy, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Like half the chat. Ironbug says bullish all the way. Definite buy. Consolidation, no way to tell. I don't know how I feel about this. Technically, we have closed under the last swing low. We've made lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. $73.36 could be in the cards, maybe. Daily obviously is very bullish, but that's a really interesting 4-hour time frame to me. I kind of think this is what I've said since Sunday night. I kind of think we move sideways to slightly down. I don't think we fall off, but I think we move sideways and maybe make one more lower low sideways, and then we go up higher. I think we just base out here, get into a little choppy range, and then bam, all-time highs. As soon as the war ends, this thing's going to take off. Oil's going to tank. Inflation's going to tank. Interest rates will start coming down once inflation starts coming down. Right around midterms, we will be skyrocketing. Trump is not going to let the market, right before midterms, this is going to be at all-time highs. There is absolutely no way Trump is not going to manufacture some way to manipulate all-time highs heading into the midterms. Yeah, buying the lower DD band is an every single time play. July 4th, the 250th anniversary, all-time highs. Yeah, I mean, there's so many things coming up that war ends, oil drops, July 4th, midterms. This is definitely going to continue to go up. So whatever opportunity you can to buy, these are your lows to be buying from. So can I explain my indicators? So the main thing I have on my chart right now are the Rocket Scooter high volume pivots. So the dynamic MHP stands for monthly hedge pressure, and it's an overnight level for maximum gamma exposure for dealer hedged options. And it's just an algorithm that the Rocket Scooter servers data computes, and then we put it on our charts. We also have the dynamic hedge pressure, which is a weekly hedge pressure right here. Well, they're high volume pivots, and they act as support and resistance anytime you're around them. But really, the whole system is built around the Rocket Scooter platform itself, which prints all of these charts on the platform, and then it offers other confluence indicators to tell us the strength of the underlying and overall market as we approach those high volume pivots. So that's a very brief description. All right, how many we got? Where are we at? All right, that's good. All right, you can stop typing, Wicklers. No more entries. One entry per person. I got them all. I got them all. I got them all. No more names. Bam. There's the new names. 434 of you. You can stop typing. Please stop typing. You're going to get put in timeout. There's no more entries. Literally stop. 69 seconds. Oh, sweet, Kyle. That is so nice. Dang, we got one of the best firms in the business dropping a huge sale, and we have a ton of accounts to give away from them tomorrow. Holy crap. That is going to be incredible. I've been wanting to try these guys out. I might have to steal one of those accounts. Dang, that's so sweet. Oh, that's so sweet. It's not My Fun of Futures. All right, here we go. New race. My Fun of Futures 25K Rapid. Trading for progress out front, Moonlighty. Something good will happen today. Rita Tick and Sam Spline making an early run for the lead. We know how this works. The guys in front at first never win. We know it's always someone from the back. The back of the pack always comes in late. Look at all those names. Zilt from Finland up there. Sue Powie, Patricia Christian. Moonboy making a run here with. He's going too fast. He's going to burn out. Deuce Leverage, Kaizen Capital, Keith Matthew coming up. Oh, look at this. Profit Pilot dashing from the back all the way to the front. Pop-up pilot making a run. Here comes J. Cole. I see J. Cole making a move. Christopher Huffman making a move. Holding up strong. Oh, here we come. Here we come from the back of the pack. Emily L. making a push. 9 seconds. 8 seconds. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? 5, 4, 3. Oh, my gosh. It's going to be Paulo Oliveira. Paulo Oliveira, type something in the chat. You are the winner. You guys just want a race. That's all you want. You're like, I don't even care. I just want to make it. I want to make it feel like it's a competition, as though you can. I see you. As though you can make your duck go faster for some reason. All right, let me type you in. Paulo Oliveira -M1S. All right. You have been entered My Funded Futures 25K Rapid account. You are in the winner's circle. Go to the Prop Score Discord to claim your prize. Good luck. All right, we'll do another one in about 10 minutes, all right? We still have 2 more to do. You never see your duck? I don't know what to tell you, man. Your duck swims backwards. Do not tell them that. Gringo Loco is lying to you. It's not true. Oh, yeah, I did. Sea buckets, I definitely did. You can click the trophy in the bottom right. It will show the leaderboard and all the names. Let you copy. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. Jay, I made some good money today. So I made $643 on my Gen X account down here. I made $200 on both of my funded accounts here. I flipped my last 2 days for my take profit accounts. They're now completely flipped. I just need to wait until the close of the day tomorrow, and then I can activate these 2 funded accounts. And then I blew up 2 evals tonight. I got chopped up crazily inside this whole mess tonight on these 2 flex accounts. I have 2 rapid accounts that I haven't touched yet tonight, and I'm probably not going to. This late in the session, I'm not going to get into any more evals. I'll save those for tomorrow. But yeah, no, it's a good trading day for me today. Tonight, it's been trash, but it's fine. Dave, you passed that eval in 3 trading days with 1 micro. Dave is the king of the 1 micro trades, man. He is so consistent with the 1 micros. And his advice is correct. Size down if you're struggling. Size down. Why don't I stream in the morning? Because that's Matt's show. I don't have my own YouTube channel. Have no plan on starting my own YouTube channel. So I just stream here in the Asia session. Matt streams in the morning. Believe me, you would much rather want to watch Matt stream than you want to watch me stream. Matt is the professional full-time day trader that trades 6-7 figure accounts live cash. I am a 25K prop firm trader. You don't want me streaming in the New York session.
Don't count me out.
I'm more entertaining. I disagree. Matt is fantastic. Should you do direct deposit or bank account for Lucid payout? I do bank account. I think that's how I get mine. There's your pop off of ES there. There's your pop off of ES. Better music here. Now that I don't disagree with. Lucid has been very good to me the last 6 weeks, and it's probably still not done. Like we're just getting started on it. Hopefully, I can get these 2 accounts to a payout this week and get moved to live, and then see what I can do on the live account. You've only seen my stream, never watched Matt. I am not the boss. No, Mally. I am just... So, Matt, Day Trading with Matt, this is Matt's YouTube channel, Day Trading with Matt. He's the founder of this channel. He's the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platform. He's been streaming on this channel for about 10 years. And back in November, he asked his community, he said he wanted to hire 2 new streamers. Somebody to stream the afternoon session for New York and someone to stream the Asia session. And like hundreds of people sent in audition tapes to him. And he picked me and Neon and chose us to be his 2 new streamers. So just feel very fortunate and grateful for that opportunity. And Matt is the GOAT, 100%. And more relevant because you don't trade the cash accounts. Yeah, I mean, I get that, but that's why I'm here in the Asia session. Like, you can come watch me in the Asia session, share my journey. We relate to each other. I'm one of you guys. Also, I have a day job. Like, I can't just trade the New York session for 4 hours. Like, I have to go to work so I can pay my bills. You know what I mean? Like, I also don't have the time freedom to just stream in the New York session. Now, maybe this year that changes. Maybe this year all of that switches around and I'm able to leave the 9 to 5 and just trade full time. And then maybe we can, maybe I'll co-host with Matt or jump on a show with him or something if he wants me to. But right now, it's just me hanging out here with my fellow traders who are on the same journey I'm on, trying to have a good time, make a little money. And if there's something that I'm doing that's inspiring to you, I'm maybe a little bit further ahead than where you're at, and that's great because I can just turn around and be like, hey, step here, step here, step here. That's what I did, Did I get my $100 for your payout on your other accounts? I don't know what the $100 is. I'm not sure what that question means. You're inspiring to all of us. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. That means a lot to me. It really does. Hey, Sherry, thanks for coming in, man. I love having you in here. Thanks for supporting the show. You can go tuck yourself, and we'll see you tomorrow night. The rapid, the eval, is end of day trailing, and the funded is intraday trailing. The best way to manage it for end of day, I just trade it like a normal evaluation. I'm going to try and hit 50% consistency. That's the way I do it. But once I'm in the intraday trailing drawdown accounts for me have been the bane of my existence. I have not been able to consistently get beyond the buffer limits from the intraday trailing drawdown. I'm going to keep fighting it because I need to figure it out because they really are the best accounts from a payout perspective. You stay up just to watch me? Thanks, Seaman Show. I appreciate that, man. Why hasn't Matt paid you enough to be a full-time streamer? I don't know. I don't think y'all understand that streamers don't make all the money you think they make. Like these guys that are on My Funded Futures TV or Tradeify or whatever they are, whatever other they're not banking from being streamers. Matt pays me fine. You don't have to worry about Matt is very generous and Matt pays me fine. but it's not enough for me to transition completely away from my full-time job that I've been at for 20 years. You know what I mean? I've been at my job for 20 years. I'm getting paid decently well there. So it's not like I can just, like, Matt said he'd pay me 7 figures. I need to get that in writing. So believe me, Matt's a great boss. Matt takes care of us. He's not like a cheapo, but for where I'm at in my stage of life, I can't just live on, you know, I need what I need because that's what I've been living on for 20 years. And so it's like, I got to get there. And trading is going to do that for me quicker than streaming will. I'm going to keep my day job. I'm not like having 2 streams of income is going to be great. Like, I'm going to keep that as long as I can. Look at this freaking sell-off. If this thing dumps to take out that low after wiping me out, I'm going to be so bitter. I'm going to be so bitter.
No rush. No fear. Just the plan.
Multiple streams, man. That's what it's all about. If I can work. The one thing I don't like about my job is that it does interfere with my trading. My passion is to be a full-time day trader. And oh, thank you, Dan. I appreciate that. I'll check it out, man. Thank you. You can tag me in all of your posts. I need to learn. I'm here for the education. I work at a church. I'm a musician, so I oversee all of the music and programming for a big church in the Houston area that has multiple campuses around the Houston area, and I just oversee all of the music and production and bands and videos, tech, arts, all that kind of stuff. So I like trading more than music. From an income perspective, yes, absolutely. Yeah. But I would much rather look at this freaking trade right here, guys. This is absolutely so annoying. This is so freaking annoying. You know what? Let's just do another giveaway. We have 2 more. Annoyed. That's the keyword. Annoyed. Type it in. Annoyed. Type it in. Man, the door was the trick. Having the door open right here. Having the office door open. I'm not like cold, but I'm definitely like, ooh, I need to maybe like turn this fan off of my legs down here. Like, that was the move. Except, like, when I start the stream, there's still other people in their offices, and so it would be annoying to listen to me yell out duck race names while people are trying to work. But I'm gonna close this and see if I can warm back up just a little bit.
Still stuck on request. 5 payouts cap, that's kind of wild. We see that clause, yeah, it's compiled. Max size 3, okay, that's fine. But why you shifting rules midline? Evil cheap, but the fine print loud.
VWAP is moving completely sideways. This is just chop fest here, guys. Absolute chop fest. Had I thought this is what we would get tonight, I would have played this way differently. I would have traded the edges instead of looking for continuations, and that was just my analysis was completely off. and that's part of trading. That's absolutely 100% part of trading. But it doesn't bother me. Like I'm annoyed. I'm annoyed when the reason I feel annoyed, it's not like I'm emotionally upset or that like I'm going on tilt or that I'm like pissed off at the market and the charts, you know, all that kind of stuff. Like I don't feel that. I'm just annoyed that I was close to being right, but it was some of my impatience played out and I got burned. When your analysis plays out, but you miss it by 2 or 3 points is what blows you up, and then price runs. Those are the things that annoy me now. Is like, Brad, you should have been more patient. You should have waited for the better entry. And that's I think what's annoying. That's what makes me mad now in my trading journey is not losing trades, but losing trades that I didn't execute properly. That's what gets me mad now.
Yeah.
Is I expect a high level of execution from myself now. I expect myself to put like
Still do it anyway.
I'm not going to trade emotionally probably 95% of the time anymore. Like I am going to wait, I'm going to execute, I'm going to get in where I need to. And it's paid off. Like you've seen my Lucid accounts, 25 days of a 25-day win streak. That's what I expect of myself. I think sometimes when I get here into the Asia session, because often we're not around high volume pivots, I still just, you know, I still kind of fall back into some old patterns here in the Asia session. I don't know of any specific tool other than a calculator. That's the only tool that I know of that actually calculates consistency. You just put in whatever your biggest day profit is, divide it by your consistency percentage, and that tells you what you need to make overall for your profit to maintain consistency. So if you make $500 and you have 40% consistency, take $500, divide it by 0.4, and that will tell you what your overall profit target is or needs to be to maintain consistency.
It was me.
Divided by the number of days it takes you to get there.
Every time I knew better.
All right, let's get the duck race up. We have 2 more.
But I didn't leave.
We have 2 more.
They said you done.
Let's get rid of you guys. Let's get the new list. Copy and usernames right now. Here we go. 414 of you. You can stop typing. No more entries. Stop it. I'm going to get more annoyed if you don't stop typing. All right, 69, 414. Where's the custom logo? Show custom logo. Where's custom logo on here? I don't see it. Colors and costumes. We want colors and costumes. I can shuffle the ducks. How? Clear list. Done. Where do you shuffle ducks at? I don't see it. On the race screen? All right. Set. Oh, shuffle characters. Shuffle. Okay, so I've shuffled them. There you go. Everybody shuffled. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And we're off. Pegasus Pat out in front. Jamie Cartwright coming up right behind. Trading the 9 and El Shoemaker with KMU Light is Jamie Cartwright now taking the lead. Pegasus Pat still up by a beak. Here comes Devin Smith. Matt's Reef and Lily Clement. Good Life. What a race. It is tight at the top. Uh-oh, here comes Keegan Murphy from behind, making a run. Along with Icoma, Nexo G2, Irie Phelan, Good Life. Red 1A3 still out in front. Irie Phelan, coming down to the final stretch. Here we are. Last 15 seconds, Good Life, Matt's Reef. Here we come from the back. Who's coming up from the back? Oh my God, we got Thunder Donkey, Pratsa Swift. Thunder Donkey, Pratsa Swift. Who's it going to be? Camille Peralta. Camille Peralta out of the back. Oh my God. Camille Peralta. Photo finish. Photo finish. Good job, Camille. What a duck. I know you're a lady. Camille, you won last week, didn't you? I think Camille won last week when we had ladies' night. That's hilarious. MFF 25K Rapid. Camille Peralta from the back of the pack. Camille Peralta from the back of the pack. It's hilarious. All right, we have one more giveaway to do. One more. Let's just go ahead and... y'all just want to respin that one? Can we just respin that one? Can we just take her out and respin it for our final account? Is that okay, or do you want a new keyword? You want a new keyword or just respin? New keyword, run it back, new keyword. I think there's a couple people that didn't get in. All right, we're going to do a new keyword, but you have to be fast. I'm only going to give you 1 minute to enter this keyword. 1 minute only, 1 minute keyword. Duck off. 1 minute keyword, duck off. You have 1 minute to enter, and then we're running it. If you get in, you get in. If you don't, you don't. Duck off. Type it in right now. Duck off. You have 1 minute, guys. That's it. I promise you 1 minute. I'm going to pull the names after 1 minute. YouTube does not like that word. Of course, YouTube doesn't like that word. The mods are like, of course, Brad. Thanks. You have, I will give you I'll give you 1 extra minute. I'll give you 1 extra minute. The mods had to get everybody in. I'll give you 1 extra minute. That's it. One entry per person. All right, final. You have 59 seconds, and that's it. 59 seconds, and that's it. Type it in. Last chance. Dude, this thing is going to freaking take out the daily low. Oh. Hold. All right, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. That's it. There's not going to be very many in this one, I can promise you, because not everybody is getting in. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 260. All right, that's it. Only 260 people got in. That's it. 260. Done. Stop typing. The bot's turned off. Stop typing. We'll go, let's do, we'll do a minute and a half, 90 seconds. Kimberly, I know I promised you. I'm sorry to break your heart. It's my fault. I had to give in to peer pressure tonight. I had to give in. Here we go. And we're off. This is a little bit of a longer race. Quantum Wick out front. B-Rock, Scott Sue, Brian inside. The real M. Jones. Here we go. B-Rock making a beeline. Here comes Mrs. Dorsey. I Love Quant and Adrenaline making a run to the top. 1 milli-mil. Trader Pro making a push. AlVD coming up strong. Trader Pro falling off. Ran out of gas. Thunder Donkey making a push again. Thunder Donkey falling off. Val Baron and Careful X now at the lead. Here we go. Boston out front. Smart Risk Trader now taking the lead. He's got a 1 duck lead over right side and can't see Neo Locky, Quantum Wick, Mally. Here come the back of the pack people finally making their last push. Swagger Pilot up in front. Kimberly C wanted to spin the wheel, but here she is in the front of the pack. Saber Trade, Market Maker, Basic Trading up top. Kimberly C holding the lead, but we're getting a strong push from CO4 Trading. Kimberly C with 10 seconds to go. Kimberly C falling off. Kimberly C out of the picture now. Market Maker, Crypto Tom King, C4 Trader, Crypto Tom King! I feel like it's a little cheesy, though. It's a little cheesy, right? Am I the only one that feels that? It's a little cheesy. I feel cheesy doing it. I feel like I'm lowering my standards. All right, Crypto Tom King. Let me type you in. The final My Funded Futures 25K Rapid account. Crypto Tom King. You have been entered into the winner's circle. Go to the Prop Score Discord. You can find a link in the description of this video. It's fun. It's stupidly fun. Somebody tripped your duck. Oh, you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to do our boot camp giveaways tonight. Remind me tomorrow to do our boot camp giveaways. Right, we'll do 4 boot camp giveaways right off the jump tomorrow. Fun stream. I'm not sure how I feel about the Ducks. I'm not sure how I feel about the Ducks. I mean, I get that it's entertaining, but it's also like, I don't know, man. Ducks are for Discord? Yeah. If Farina, you gotta get the rocket scooter competition, the animation with the competition. We gotta get the rocket scooter shooting to the moon, like all of the rocket scooters flying to the moon, dodging red candles and Trump asteroids. I think that would be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Well, guys, it's come to that time. I've had another incredible night hanging out with you guys, as always. You guys are my favorite people in the entire world. My favorite people. I love you all. Thank you for showing up and supporting the stream. I'm going to pull up the covers, tuck you in, wish you sweet dreams of green. You're going to want to be in Matt's show tomorrow. We've got some incredible accounts we're giving away tomorrow from an incredible firm. I'm so happy about this. Neon show, my show, all day tomorrow. Big accounts to give away. Thank you guys so much for being here. I am going to go find an Uncrustable to shove down my shorts and cool off for a little bit before I have to take a shower and get in bed, rest my throat. Night shift, clocking out. It's Burns Trades, Papa Les, you're tucked. Adam Daz, LWM, Kevin X, you're tucked. 1 Milli Mill, Solo Futures Trader, Matt's Reef Spiv, you're tucked. Devil Jinx, Paul Ramirez, THX Rod Trades, you're tucked. Nas Trader Prop, Braille AR, Gamma, Andrew Trades. Thanks for being here, guys. Have a great night. Lynn Tech, Walker Hound, Kids Vibes, you're tucked. Keegan Murphy, Bank Robber Trading, Zay, you're tucked. D-Shoe, Mom Bucks, good night. Dexter Goes Wild. Fraser, good night. Matt Evans, Badger, Silford Finland, Zay, Magic Reaper, Duarte Machado, good night. King, sleep tight. Austin, have a great night. Mikey Uchin, have a great night. T for Keats, Crazy Chris, Moonlighted. DLT Trades, good night. Thunder Donkey, have a great night. You're tough. Marco Musso, Hitcha, Amanda Tops, Kimberly C, have a great night. Sorry about the wheel. Truck and Trading, have a great night. Icy Hawk, Mark Tom Frank, good night. Where did we leave off? Drops Trades, Daily Mana, Croatian Sensation, Sleepwalker, Bexy, Blue Skies, you guys are tough. Zay, good night. Moneymaker Aspiration, good night. Trading for Progress, Paul Ramirez, Forbidden Shenanigans, E-Mini Man, English Music Now. Allie, have a great night. You're tough. Dan Emmons, 24-hour live stream. Oh, no way. City Cruise, have a great night. Cheryl, K-Rob, Kyle, have a great night. Mike G, Janice Mendiola, Adam Gabe, Rogue of the Land, have a great night. Auctioneer, YouTube, have a great night, guys. You all are tough.
Sweet dreams are made of green.
Sebastian Tracy, Paul Ramirez, Chris Noof, good night, good night, good night. I'll get right on that, CISO. Alternator, thank you for being here, man. Appreciate you. Have a great night. Kids Vibes, Walker Hound, you guys have a great night. You're tough.